स्टार्ट किया?
यस
हाँ, स्टार्ट हो गया.
Hello to all my class 10 champions, to all my lovely warriors. I hope you all are there, my dear, and you have successfully joined this live session. So before I proceed this live session, before I move ahead to the live session of one short video of triangle, my dear, just let me know, please confirm me as I'm audible to you, my voice is clearly reaching to you all, and I'm visible to everyone. Yes, my dear, just let me know you all are there and my voice is reaching to you clearly. Come on, I'm waiting for your response. Yes, everyone, join fast. Come on, my dear, join fast. We are going to cover complete triangle and coordinate geometry today. So this class is going to be game changing for you all, trust me. Triangle and coordinate geometry. Just let me know, my dear, my voice is reaching to you, you all are there. Hi, every class has started, don't worry. I apologize, sorry, due to some problem I got late. So I apologize, sorry my dear. I know you have been waiting for me for last 1.5 hours. I know everyone because you have already joined the session. That's very good, my dear. So let me know you all are there. Am I audible to you, everyone? Am I audible to you all? Just let me know. A quality session, complete one shot revision. Yes sir, yes sir, good evening. Hi, very good evening guys. Hi, yeah, very good. Solo, thank you. Divya, okay Divya, thank you so much for confirmation and confirming your name. Ellen, hi. Okay, so let's begin because we have already late by 5 to 6 minutes, so we have to compensate that. Don't worry, my dear. So in today's live session, as I promised to you all, till 13th February I'll be completing your entire syllabus of maths, doing this one shot video with theoretical revision and questions, my dear. So in these one shot revision on live session, I'm giving you summary of the chapter and along with questions, PYQ, most important PYQs we are doing. Okay, so we have already finished 4 chapters, and in today's live session we are going to talk about triangles and coordinate geometry, my dear champions. So if you are having any kind of confusion, your each and every doubt will be clear today in this live session, trust me, my dear. Okay, very good. So let's move ahead. So let's begin with triangles. So my dear, the first question is, if we are going to talk about triangles, so what we will study here in triangles? So my dear, in class 10 standard, the similarity of triangle is very important. We will start from similarity of triangles, my dear. I know most of the students, so many students, they might have problem still, challenge and problem difficulty in similarity, how to find out the triangles are similar or not, what are the criterias, what are the logic and tricks, tips and tricks by which we can find out the triangles, whether the triangles are similar or not, my dear. So let me give you very short trick. So after doing this similarity of triangle, we will move to the one of the most important topic is BPT, my dear, basic proportionality theorem. And you all can see on screen, BPT has been asked by CBSE. Come on, look at the screen. Oh my god, so many times, 2002, 2005, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 19, 23, 24. So this theorem directly comes in exam in the form of question, my dear. So this is not only theorem, come on, this is not only theorem, this is question itself. Getting my point? So we will talk about this also, don't worry. I am going to derive the BPT also in today's live session. So before moving to BPT directly, you should have clarity of similarity of triangle also, my dear. Okay, very good evening everyone. Join fast, come on, join fast. I don't want anyone could miss the session, any portion of the live class. I want everyone should be here so that you guys can clear your doubts in triangle. So if I talk about similar triangles, what does it mean by similar triangles? So my dear, in geometry, when we talk about triangles, so in geometry 2 words comes up. We talk about 2 words. When we talk about triangles, we talk about congruency congruency and similarity. These two words comes up in front of us. Congruency and similarity, my dear. So let me clear your doubts. When we talk about congruency, congruency means equal size of triangle. Come on, focus here. Equal size means the dimensions of triangle should be equal. Means the triangle, the one triangle completely overlap another triangle. Completely overlap another triangle. Are you getting my point? So congruency means what? When two triangles, let's say I'm taking two triangle A, B, C, and this is PQR, right? And their dimensions are equal. This is equal to this is equal to this, and this side is equal to this. There are so many congruency criteria, but just I'm giving you example. If the dimension of each side of this triangle is equal to the dimension of this side of this triangle, my dear, so this triangle can completely overlap. If we put this triangle on this triangle, so the triangle PQR will not be visible to us. Means the triangle ABC is completely overlapping PQR. It implies that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. This is called congruency, my dear, when the dimension of sides are equal. Means completely overlap. But when we talk about similarity, my dear, similarity means what, my dear? Same shape, not size, my dear. Same shape, not size, same shape. The triangles will look like similar. One triangle might be smaller and other triangle might be bigger, but it look like similar. The shape is same, means same shape, my dear. That is called similarity. And they can overlap and they cannot be overlap, my dear. Both conditions are possible. So in similarity, my dear, the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Here, the corresponding sides are equal to each other. Means AB is equal to PQ, right? BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. The dimensions are equal. But when we talk about similarity, let's say the triangle ABC is here and this triangle is PQR, my dear. So in similarity, my dear, the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Means AB divided by PQ will be equal to BC divided by QR equals to AC divided by PR. Means when you are finding AB by PQ, you might getting 2 by 3. So BC by QR, this will also be 2 by 3 in ratio. Similarly, AC by PR will also be in the same ratio. If the corresponding sides are in same ratio, then the triangles are similar to each other. But here, if the corresponding sides are equal to each other, come on, we are talking about here ratio, but here equal. So this is the difference between similarity and congruency, my dear. I hope this is clear to you, everyone. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, so we are not going to talk about congruency in class 10th. We have discussed this congruency in 9th standard. In your class 9th mathematics triangle, we have already talked about congruency. But in 10th class, we are going to talk about this. In 10th class, in SLC, my dear, we are going to talk about similarity of triangle. So similarity means when the shape looks similar and the corresponding side will be in the same ratio. Okay, so as you all know, in congruency there were so many criteria: triple S congruency, side angle side congruency, angle side congruency, RHS congruency. You know, I hope you remember. There are so many criteria to prove the triangles are congruent or not. Similarly, in similarity also, there are few criteria. By using that, we can prove that the triangles are similar or not. I hope you are getting my point. I hope this is clear to everyone. So now, moving to the next point. If you want to take a screenshot, my dear, you can take screenshot. I'm going to explain, I'm going to give you short summary of similarity criteria, how you guys can prove that the triangles are similar or not, my dear. So let's talk about let's talk about similarity criteria. Similarity criteria. Okay, how you guys can prove whether the triangles are similar or not, my dear. So the first similarity criteria is, my dear, triple S similarity. Triple S similarity criteria. So my dear champion, triple S similarity criteria means what? Let's say example, there are two triangles. This triangle is A, B, C, my dear, and one more triangle is here. This triangle PQR, right? Triple S means side, 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 my dear champions. So let's example, there are two triangles. First triangle is ABC and the second triangle is PQR. Let's assume AB is of 2 centimeter, BC of 2.5 centimeter and AC of 3 centimeter. And in this triangle PQR, PQ is 4 centimeter, QR is 5 centimeter, and PR is equal to 6 centimeter. Now if I ask you find AB by PQ, so AB is of 2 centimeter and PQ is of 4 centimeter, so the ratio is 1/2. Now find out BC divided by QR, BC divided by QR. So BC is, my dear, 2.5 and this is 5. So again we are getting ratio 1/2. Now if I ask you find out AC divided by PR, my dear, so AC is what? 3 centimeter and PR is 6 centimeter. So again we are getting 1/2. So as you all can see here, the ratio of corresponding sides are same. For this corresponding in this, for this corresponding in this, for this corresponding in this, and all the ratios are same. So we can say that, so we can say here, so triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and we can mention the region by triple S similarity. Why? Because all the sides of both the triangles are in the same corresponding ratio, not equal. We are talking about ratio, and once you have proved that this triangle is similar to this triangle, means the shape of this triangle is similar to the shape of this triangle. So after proving the similarity, you can take any corresponding part equal to each other. You can take this, if you are writing triangle ABC is equals to triangle PQR, so you can write the angle ABC will be equal to PQR. Why? Because we have already proved that the triangles are similar. So now we can take the remaining similar parts also, congruent part also, corresponding part also, congruent not corresponding part. So ABC will be equal to PQR. If you want to write this angle, so angle ACB, A, here I am taking A, C, then after C I am taking B. So same we have to follow here also. ARQ, my dear. So angle ARQ we can write, and we can mention here corresponding part of what, my dear? Similar triangle. I hope you remember that CPCT in class 9th triangle, corresponding part of congruent triangle. When we prove the triangles are congruent to each other, so we can take the corresponding part are also equal to each other, right? So same also in here also. So if you have proved that the triangles are similar to each other, my dear, you can take corresponding angles are same, right? So without proving the similarity, you cannot write the corresponding angle, corresponding sides are equal to each other. You have to prove the triangles are similar or not first. Then only you can write that corresponding parts are equal or not, my dear. So this is all about. So this is first similarity, triple S similarity. Now if we talk about second similarity, my dear, so second similarity is double A similarity. Double A similarity. This is very important. Trust me, this is very important, my dear. Double A similarity is very important. This is called angle similarity. Angle similarity. Now, what is this? Listen, my dear. This is nothing, but this is very important. In any two triangle ABC here and this is triangle PQR. My dear champion, in any two triangles, if any two angles are equal, come on, if any two angles are equal, and this is obvious, if two angles will be equal to each other, then third angle will also be equal to each other. But we have to focus on at least two angles. At least two angles should be equal to each other. So let's say angle this here is equal to angle this. Okay, and let's say this angle of this triangle ABC is equal to this angle of this triangle ABC. If two angles are equal, you can directly write triangle ABC will be similar to, but wait. Writing the similar triangle is very important. How to write? You have to write the triangle's name so that this angle must be followed. The corresponding angle should be matchable. So if we talk about ABC, so just look at here, this angle is BAC, and BAC is equal to QPR. So if you can see here, B is the center point. So in this triangle, you have to follow the same corresponding order. Means B, if we follow this angle, so for this angle is equal. And this angle is what? BAC. Here is B, A and C. So same you have to follow there also. So can we follow BAC, and this angle is QPR. So Q will be at the center, right? And this triangle name will be here. So directly you can say PQR. Are you getting my point, my dear? If any student write this triangle as, QPR, if any one of you is writing the triangle QPR, the thing will be different. The story will be different. Why? Look at, my dear, this angle is ACB. Now look, ACB. So here this will be QRP. Right, according to this ACB, this is PRQ, right? So whenever you are writing the triangle, please make sure the corresponding order should be fulfilled over there. So when at least two angles are equal in two triangles, we can directly write the triangles are what? Similar to triangle, another triangle. This is the theory, my dear. Please keep it in mind. Very important theory. Hi everyone. Hi Amit. Yes, very good, Amit. Very good. So this is all about. So if you want to prove the similarity of triangle, come on, search. At least two angles must be equal to each other. And when two angles will become equal to each other, the triangle will be similar to each other. So two similar criteria I have taught you. First is triple S similarity and second is double S similarity. Now, apart from this, one more similarity criteria is there, which is called side angle side similarity. Please look at here, side angle side similarity. This S represents side, this A represents angle, and this S represents, my dear, again side. So this is called side angle side similarity. So let me give you the example. Let's say, my dear champion, the triangle ABC is here, right? And one more triangle here, PQR. Is it clear? And this information is given to you. This angle is equal to this angle. Only one angle is given to you. And the dimension of this side is 4 centimeter, and the dimension of this side is 3.5 centimeter, and the dimension of this side is 8 centimeter, and the dimension of this side is 7 centimeter. Now you can see this angle here and this angle here, both the angles are between two adjacent sides, this side and this side. So it implies that we can apply side angle side rule. But to apply side angle side, first we have to find out whether these sides are in corresponding ratio or not. So as we can check here, AB by PQ, AB is 4 centimeter and PQ is 8 centimeter, my dear. So we are getting here 1/2, and BC by QR, so BC by QR will be 3.5 divided by 7. So again we are getting 1/2. Wow! So AB by PQ is 1/2 and BC by QR is 1/2. So if both are 1/2, my dear, and this angle is equal to this angle, So side angle side, because sides are also already in corresponding ratio. So you don't require, it is not necessary that always 3 sides will be in corresponding. No. If in between 2 sides, one angle is equal, so you can apply the similarity rule. If 3 sides are same, if 3 sides are in, all the 3 sides are in same corresponding ratio, this is well and good. But if there is no information about third side, but the angle between these 2 sides are equal, so you can apply side angle, and this is side. So by side angle side similarity, what, my dear champion? Triangle ABC will be similar to triangle PQR. Yes, come on, make sure one thing, please. This angle must be equal to this angle, and both the angles should be lie between these 2 sides. If the angle would be here, just imagine, angle is not here. These 2 sides are in same ratio, but the angle is here. So the order of side angle side will be disturbed. So we cannot apply side angle side. Come on, my dear. Hi, sir. Hi. Yes, Sudarshan. See, let me tell you, my dear champion, I am going to give you very magical revision of triangle. Trust me. I have brought up every question that is most, relevant for your board exam. Look at PYQ. Look at the quality of questions, my dear. I am going to explain you every question that has frequently asked by CBSE. But before moving to the questions, your doubt should be clear. Your basics should be clear. Once your basic will be clear, everything will be in your hand. Trust me, my dear. Hi, Captain. Thank you. I hope you are getting my point. So, my dear, let me ask you one thing. If there are 2 triangles, triangle ABC is here, and this is triangle PQR. Please focus here, everyone. Please focus here. Let's say there are 2 triangles. One is ABC and other is PQR, right? Okay. Here, this is 2 centimeter AB, and this is 3 centimeter. Right. Here, this is 2 centimeter. Right. And this is 3 centimeter. Okay. And this angle here, this angle is equal to 20 degree. Right. And this angle is here equal to 40 degree. And here, this angle is equal to 40 degree. So, just tell me, will these triangles be similar to each other? So, listen, my dear, if you can see here, AB is equal to 2 centimeter, and here PR is equal to 2 centimeter. So if we find out AB by PR, so this will be 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Yes. Now if we find out BC by QR, this will be 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. Yes, both the ratios are equal. Both the ratios are equal, and the angle between these 2 sides here 40 degree, and angle between these sides here 40 degree. This 20 degree is just for confusion. You don't need to focus on 20 degree. You have to focus on the angle between the triangle. Angle between the 2 sides. Right? So this triangle is similar to each other. But the most important thing is how to write. So we can write here triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Is it correct? Is it correct? Is it correct? No, my dear, this is not correct. Don't be in such hurry when you are writing the similar triangles. No. If you are taking AB, so what is the similar for AB? PR is similar for AB. But according to this statement, if we are taking AB, what we are getting? Corresponding to AB, PQ, which is invalid. Which is invalid. If AB is corresponding to PR, right, and BC is corresponding to QR, so you have to write the triangle name according to such that they follow the order also. So if you are taking here triangle ABC similar to triangle, now check for AB which is similar. Come on, for AB which is similar? PR is similar. So here PR and the third will be PRQ. You can verify now. If you write AB, so corresponding will be PR, which is absolutely correct. if you write BC, 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 come on my dear, BC, BC, the corresponding will be RQ, which is absolutely correct. BC for QR means RQ. Now this is correct. So writing the similar triangles name is very important in triangle chapter. Trust my words, my dear. Trust me, my dear. So don't be, in a hurry, don't be in flow, my dear. Come on. When you are writing the triangles are similar, you have to write the similar triangle in such a way so that they follow the order also. They follow the order also. This is very important. Hi everyone. Yes sir. I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes, Divyanshu, exam are coming, so don't worry. Till your examination day, early morning on 17th February, I'll be coming with you. I'll be with you in early morning. Don't worry. I'm with you till your, exam is over. I'm always with you, everyone. Is it clear, everyone? Hi, Avri, you're from Andhra Pradesh. Welcome. See, my dear champion, focus on first theoretical part and we will move to the question also. Don't worry. But first focus to the smallest portion, small part, basics, so that your doubt will be cleared, my dear. Yes, sir. Very good, Avri. Thank you. Now, just let me know few questions. Come on. I want to ask few questions from you. If, my dear, triangle ABC here, this is triangle ABC, right? And one more triangle is here. One more triangle is here, PQR. So we have two triangles. And here BC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. This is equal to 2 centimeter. And this is equal to, let's say, 4 centimeter. Right? And here QR is equal to 8 centimeter. This is equal to 7 centimeter. And this is equal to 4 centimeter. Now, as you all can see on screen, 3.5, the double is 7. 4, here is 8, double is 8. If here is 2, here is 4. So in this triangle, every side is double of these sides. Double of 3.5 is 7, double of 2 is 4, double of 4 is 8. It indicates that both the triangles are similar. Yes, both the triangles are similar, but the most important thing is how to write. Triangle ABC is similar to what? Triangle ABC is similar to what? If you directly write, if some student, always stay 2 steps ahead. I don't know why. They will write this PQR. And once you write this, the answer will be wrong. Yes, my dear, the answer will be wrong. It is not necessary that if you are taking triangle ABC in this order, so this will always be in this order. No, this is not valid in similarity. You have to check the corresponding. You have to check the corresponding part. Means if you are taking AB, where is AB? Come on, where is AB? AB is this, 4 centimeter. And if we talk about this 4, so which side is corresponding of 4? This side is corresponding of 4. So it indicates that if you are starting this triangle name from AB, so this triangle name will start by AB, for AB, which is the corresponding side. This is QR, come on, this is QR, and only one vertex is left, so we can put here RP. Now you can verify. So if we write AB divided by QR, AB divided by QR. So this is 4 by 8, which is equal to 1 by 2. Come on. Let me do this. Now if we take BC here, BC, for BC, if we are taking BC, so we have to take here RP. Can you please check it? BC is what? 3.5. And where is RP? RP. Oh, wow, 7. So this is 1 by 2. Now if you take AC, so we have to take here QP. AC by QP. Where is AC? AC is 2, right? And QP, this is QP, which is 4. Wow! So just tell me one thing, which one is correct? This is correct, my dear. This is correct. I hope you are getting my point. So whenever you are writing the triangle similarity, please make sure, be attentive. This one is correct. I hope you are getting my point. So always follow the corresponding part. Always follow the corresponding part. I hope you all are getting my point. You all are enjoying the session. I hope you are getting my point. So this one is wrong, but this one is correct. So this is the logical thing that generally toppers follow when they write the similar triangles in words. Hi Harpit, hi Harpit, thank you. Okay, moving to the next theorem, which is basic proportionality theorem. Very popular, most popular theorem of triangle, and yes my dear, most frequently asked question also. So let me tell you honestly, my dear champion, this BPT is not just a theorem, this is question itself. You can see here the frequency. Oh my god, so many times CBSE has asked this theorem in the form of question. Yes sir, very good Avri, thank you so much Divyanshu, superb, very good. BPT is very important. I know few students might have still problem in BPT how to prove. So let me make this theorem very magical, and I'm going to give you very short derivation. It will directly give you 5 marks. Very good. Kung Fu, very good. Yes, I also follow. Topper approved, very good. Okay, the student who know how to prove easily, well and good, you all are in the race, but I'm going to do for all the student who is still having problem in this theorem. Don't worry, I am for everyone. I am for each one of you, my dear. Okay, so let's prove this. Please focus here. Okay, so what is BPT first? BPT is also called Thales theorem. Thales was a mathematician who proposed this theorem, my dear. Okay, so let me give you the proof, my dear. So to prove this, I have to take a triangle. So let's take a triangle. I hope triangle is good. No, triangle not looks good. I think I need to draw a beautiful triangle. I love diagrams. In maths, diagram plays very important role in exam, my dear. Okay, so your presentation, diagram, leveling, everything will give you the marks. So let's say this is triangle, and I'm calling triangle this A, B and C. Look what is BPT. Look what is BPT. BPT says that if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. What is this? It's look very confusing. Let me give you the clarity. BPT says that if you draw a line, let's say I'm drawing a line here. Let's say I have drawn a line here, and my dear, this line is parallel to any one side of the triangle. So this line you all can see here, this is parallel to BC. Okay, so let's call this line as, let's say this is PQ. This is PQ. So I have drawn a line which is parallel to BC. You can also draw the line in this way, my dear. So this line will be parallel to this. You can also draw the line this way. This line will be parallel to this. It is not fixed, the line will always be parallel to BC, means horizontally. No. For our symmetry, geometry, and to make the calculation easier, we generally take this horizontal line. Okay, otherwise we can take anything. So this is all about. Hello everyone. Hey Arpit. See, my dear champion, number never matters for me. If any one of you become topper after my guidance, after getting guidance from me, that will be a huge success for me, my dear. So for me, number never matters. If you are coming in my life, you are expecting something from me, and that's why I'm putting my 100% for you all. I'm putting my huge effort for your performance, everything. So don't say this and don't write such things here. Okay. This is my responsibility because I'm your maths teacher. So this is my responsibility to give you some quality content that may genuinely help you in your board exam. Okay. So don't say this. Okay, my dear. I hope you are there. Okay. So let's prove this. Okay. So there is a triangle ABC and PQ is parallel to BC. Then this theorem says that it divides the two sides in the same ratio. Means this division, AP divided by PB is equal to AQ divided by QC. This is the BPT. When one line is drawn parallel to any one side of the triangle, then that line divides other two sides in the same ratio. Means here the given information is what? The given information is only PQ is parallel to BC, right? This is given information. And what to prove? AP divided by PB is equal to AQ divided by QC. We have to prove this. AQ divided by QC. Come on, my dear, this is BPT. When we draw a line parallel to any one side of a triangle, then that line divides other two sides in the same corresponding ratio. I hope you are getting my point. So how we can derive this? So let's do the solution. So my dear, look how we can derive this. So very easy derivation here. So to derive this BPT theorem, there are few construction. And the construction are what? Look, my dear, construction, few construction here. So what is the construction? Draw QM. Let's say I'm calling this as QM. Q and this is M. 90 degree to AP. Draw QM perpendicular to AP. Right? I have drawn perpendicular to AP. Similarly, draw QN. See, this is PQ. So draw, some constructions are required. This here, my dear. Join this line here, 90 degree. So draw, we can say here this, we can say this side as P N. This is M, this is N. So draw PN perpendicular to AQ. So two constructions are clear. Now join B to Q. Join BQ, B to Q, we can join here simultaneously. Join BQ and join PC. Yes, my dear, join PC. Okay, join BQ and join what? CP, or we can say PC. So these constructions are required. Come on, I hope this is clear here. So these constructions are required. Is it clear, everyone? Are you there, my dear? Are you there, everyone? Yes, just let me know. Is it clear till here? Any confusing? Okay, Rani Gupta, very good, everyone. Yes, everyone, just let me know. Everything clear till here? Everything clear till here, my dear? Just let me know in chat section. So these constructions are required. Now the rest is the mathematics, logic and just magic. Trust me, my dear. So let's start the solution. So we can write here solution. So I'm going to start solution. My dear, why I'm following these things today? Why I'm doing these things in very slow manner? See, my dear, you all are in crucial phase. You all are doing final prevision. 17th February is so close. In mathematics, if this question comes in your exam, it will give you 4 to 5 marks. Short. It will carry 5 marks. And in 5 marks, how CBSE evaluate your question paper? Answer sheet, sorry. They give you marks step wise. Yes, my dear. You will get the marks on diagram, on 2 given, proof, construction, everything. So whenever you are responding such question in exam, always follow the steps. Please, my dear. So that's why I'm also following the steps today. Okay, so let's do solution. So here, area of triangle APQ. If we find the area of triangle APQ, can you see the triangle APQ? This is APQ. Come on, APQ. So to calculate the area of this triangle APQ, if we consider this as base, if I consider this AP as base, so for AP height will be MQ or QM. So we can write here half base, we are considering base AP, and height will be QM. I hope you have understood the system here till here. Let's call this equation number 1. Similarly, if I find here again the area of AQP, triangle is same, but I'm disturbing the order. Now, triangle AQP, come on, area of triangle AQP, can we write 1 by 2? Now I am taking this as base, and if we consider this as base, for this base, height will be Pn. Yes, if we consider AQ as base, the height will be Pn. Come on, the height will be Pn. So write this, base, which is AQ, into height will be Pn. I hope you are getting my point. And let's say this is second, and both the triangles are same. Yes, my dear. In first, we consider this base and height will be QM. In second, we consider AQ as base, the height will be Pn. No difference. The triangles is still same. Only base and height has changed, but still triangle are same. So if both the triangles are same, can we write here 1 by 2? So we can write here 1 by 2 AP into QM is equal to 1 by 2 AQ into Pn. Right, 1 by 2 cancelled. So we got here, this is AP into QM is equal to AQ into Pn. Please, my dear champion, focus here. I am giving you very easy explanation of BPT. Very easy explanation. Trust me, my dear. Now moving to next step. Come on. So please focus here. I am using red color. Please focus here. Now, if we talk about this triangle, can you see the triangle, my dear? Red color. Triangle PBQ. Come on. Triangle PBQ. Yes, my dear. And for this triangle, if you produce this line in this direction, the height will be this, my dear. So for this triangle PBQ, height will be again same. Yes, my dear, it is not mandatory that the height always lie inside the triangle. No, if we talk about obtuse triangle, come on, if the triangle is in this form, obtuse triangle, and we are considering this as base, so the height will be this. Come on, this will be the height, and height will be outside the triangle. It is not necessary that the height always lie inside the triangle. No, height can be outside the triangle in obtuse angle triangle type. You know, when we use obtuse triangle, my dear. So in obtuse triangle, height always lie outside the triangle. So if the height is outside the triangle, my dear, if the height is outside the triangle, so we can apply same theory here in this triangle. PBQ is also obtuse triangle. So if we consider this as base, the height will be this. Yes, so we can write here area of triangle PBQ, area of triangle PBQ will be equal to half what? Base will be PB. Base will be PB, but the height will be, come on my dear, the height will be QM. Yes, my dear, because QM is perpendicular to PB. If we produce the PB, in this direction, QM will be the perpendicular. Please call this 4. Similarly, area of triangle. Now, please come on. I am highlighting this using green color. So look at this triangle, my dear. Come on, look at this triangle. This triangle is also obtuse triangle, my dear. And if we consider this as base, so for this base, height will be this. Are you getting my point? So can we write here area of triangle, okay, area of triangle, what? Here, PQC, area of triangle PQC, we can write here half, base will be QC, and for QC, the height will be PN. The height will be Pn, and call this as equation number 5. Yes, And you know, in class 9th, you must have studied when two triangles lies on same base between same parallel, their areas also equal to each other. When two triangles lies on same base between same parallel, and this theory is valid for parallelogram also, right? So same situation is with this triangle. This triangle, yes, and this triangle. Both the triangles are on the same base, this base, between the same parallel, because these two lines are parallel. So they are also equal to each other in relation. Why? Because both the triangles are on same base between same parallel. Yes, my dear, the triangles are on same base between same parallel. So we can write here area of triangle PBQ will be equal of triangle PQC, and you can mention the region here. Triangles are on same base between same parallel. Triangles are on same base between same parallel. Now triangle PBQ is equal to this, half PB into QM is equal to half QC into PN, my dear. Wow. So half will be cancelled. Now call this as 6. Now divide third from 6th. Come on, divide third from 6th. Now divide third from 6th. So right side will divided by right side, left side will divided by left side. So AP into QM divided by PB into QM equals to AQ into QN divided by Q. This is here. What is this, my dear? QC base into PN. This is PN, my dear. QC into PN. Here is AQ into PN, my dear. This is why I'm writing QN there. This is PN. Okay. So this is PN, and here also QC into PN. Can you cancel it? Look, this QM will be cancelled by QM. This PN will be cancelled by PN. What you are getting there? What you are getting there? Yes, my dear, we have proved AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. AQ by QC. Can you see there? What we had to prove? AP by PB equals to AQ by QC. Hence proved. And this is BPT. Hence proved. This is BPT, my dear champions. This is BPT. I hope this is clear to you all, everyone. I hope now BPT is clear to everyone. I hope this is clear to everyone, my dear. So this is the way how you guys can prove basic proportionality theorem. Go and take a screenshot of this screen, my dear. You cannot get this such magical derivation anywhere. And look at the steps. Everything is so clear, my dear. Take a screenshot. Everyone, come on, you all are there and you all are enjoying the session. Come on, my dear. Who is this? Devika, I'm very afraid of maths exam. Don't worry, don't be afraid, my dear. If you will be well prepared, I think nothing will be challenging there. Crystal clear. Wow, Anshuka, thank Anushka, sorry, Anushka. Yeah, thank you. Yes, Captain. Very good. Yes, Captain Marine, thank you. The student who is having problem in triangle, come on, my dear. I am going to make this triangle just very easy for you. Just trust me, my dear. But the condition is that you have to stay in my live session till the end, because I am giving you one shot revision of triangles and coordinate geometry both today. And I have brought up very quality questions today in session, my dear. Trust me. Okay? I hope now BPT is clear. Yes, write in chat section. Yes, sir, now BPT is clear. Look how frequently CBSE has asked this question. Look how frequently. Look at the frequency of this PYQ. Okay. Just give me confirmation. You all are there. Send me some hearts. Send me thumbs up as you all are enjoying and you all are doing final phase revision of maths. Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, Rani. Very good. Very good. Very good. I'm waiting for others' response. So many students are there. Avri, yes, sir, clear. Very good, Avri. Stay blazed, stay sparkling. And don't forget to come on 13th February, my dear. 13th February, I will be coming on live session with word problem question. So on 13th February, the session is going to be very productive for you all. So this is my request to you all. Please stay connected with us and present. Come in live session on 13th February. Session is going to be bang, trust me, my dear. And share the link with your friends as well so that they can also get advantage of the channel. Okay, 13th February. Okay. So moving to questions. Wow. Yes, Captain, got it. Thank you. Look at the question, my dear. See, Rani, if VPT comes in exam, my dear, it will give you 5 marks or 4 marks. Very good. Okay, let's do the question here. Look at the level of question. This is PYQ. Okay, let's do the question. In the given figure, PA, okay, PA, QB and RC are perpendicular to AC. So this is a line AC, you can see, and PB, PA, QB and RC, all 3 lines are perpendicular. It implies that, my dear champion, here this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is also 90 degree. Okay, okay. And PA is X, QB is Y, and RC is Z. And we have to prove this. 1 by X plus 1 by Z equals to 1 by Y. Arambian is there. Why? Hi. Namaskar. Very good. Namaskar, Arambian. Okay. Hi, Tamanna. Hi, everyone. Okay. Let's do the question. Please, now, focus on board. Please focus on board. Please. Focus on screen, my dear. Very important question. Okay. So, in the given figure, OA, QB and RC are each perpendicular to AC. So we have to prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Z equals to 1 by Y. Don't worry. Don't worry. I can prove this question easily. So the logic in this question is, selection of triangle. Selection of triangle is very important. As, my dear, as you all can see on screen, look at here, my dear. If I select this triangle, and my dear, this triangle, this one, come on, please focus only on these 2 triangles. Please ignore this portion for just a while. Ignore this portion. Imagine this is not here. Imagine only this triangle is there. So can you see this angle is present in both triangle QBC and triangle PAC? Agree or not? Yes or no? Write down in chat section. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Of course. Yes. So what? Yes, Abhinav, Adarsh. Good evening. Hi, Shreya. Good evening. Amit Kumar. Hi, Amit. So the selection of triangle is important. So can you see this angle is common in both the triangles? And 90 degree here and 90 degree here. So I have just told you few minutes ago the property similarity criteria. If in any 2 triangles, 2 angles have become equal to each other, it indicates that the triangle will be similar. Come on, the triangle will be similar. So select here triangle. So in triangle CQB and triangle CPA. We can also write the triangle in the name of, let's say I want to give 90 degree position in between, so we can write QBC. Okay, better is to write QBC, it looks good. We can also follow that, don't worry, we can write in any form, but it looks good. QBC and triangle PAC. Can you find, my dear, angle angle QBC is equal to angle PAC. Why? Why? Each equal to 90 degree. Each 90 degree. And angle C is equal to angle C. Yes, we can directly write. Angle C is common. This angle is common in both the triangles. So angle C is equal to angle C. We can write the region here. We should mention the region common. So if two angles are equal, so triangle QBC is similar to triangle PAC. We have proved both the triangles are similar, and once you have proved the triangles are similar, you can write the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, right? So my dear, can I write here QB? If I am taking QB, so we have to take PA. QB by PA will be equal to BC. I am taking BC divided, if I am taking BC here, so we have to take AC, BC by AC. And we don't require to take any other side, because we want to prove this. We want to prove this. So we just need only two sides is enough for you. So QB, where is QB? QB is Y basically. So Y divided by PA is X, my dear. So Y by X is equal to BC by AC. I hope nothing is challenging till here. Nothing is challenging till here. Now the next important point is selection of triangle. So now select this triangle. Come on, this triangle. Let me use green color. I think blue. Yeah, blue color will be visible. Now select this triangle. Take this triangle, and this triangle. I hope everything is clear. This triangle. Why I am telling you to take this triangle? Because this angle is common in both the triangle, a smaller one and the bigger one. And Y is here and Z is there. And we want to bring out the relationship between Y and Z. Come on, my dear. So now select the triangle. So my dear champions, so we can directly write triangle QBA will be similar to triangle QBA will be similar to triangle RCA. Triangle RCA by, we can directly mention the region, by double S similarity. Why double S similarity? Why double S similarity? Because one angle is common, and here this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree. So 90 degree is in both the triangles. So by double. Now we can write here the corresponding side. So QB by RC will be equal to AB by, if I am taking AB, so we have to take here AC by AC. So can you get the result? QB is what? Where is QB? QB is again Y. And RC, where is RC? RC is Z. RC is Z is equal to AB by AC. AB by AC. Call this equation number 2. Now add both 1 and 2. Add both. Why I am adding? Just wait. Now adding first and second. So right side will be added with right side and left side will be added with left side. So Y by X plus Y by Z is equal to BC by AC plus AB by AC. Now can we take Y as common? So 1 by X plus 1 by Z, and here by taking LCM will be remain same because AC is at both the sides, and BC plus AB is there. Can you get the result? BC plus AB. Look, this is BC, my dear. This whole is BC and this is AC. So BC plus AB is complete AC again. So Y into 1 by X plus 1 by Z is equal to AC by AC, and AC by AC will be 1. Yes, my dear, AC by AC will be 1, and this Y is in multiply form, that will go there. So 1 by X plus 1 by Z will be equal to 1 by Y, hence proved. 1 by X plus 1 by Z equals to 1 by Y, hence proved. Hence proved. Yes, my dear. I hope this is clear to you all. Very powerful question. Yes, who is this? Yes, I hope this is clear to you all. I hope this is clear to all, everyone. Clear, Captain. Thank you so much. Yes. I hope this is clear to everyone. Just please write down the solution. Hi, sir. Sorry for being late. Did I miss anything? Nothing more, Raghav. We are just doing second question. But yeah, unfortunately, you have missed the theoretical part, the theory, whatever I have discussed today. So don't worry. This is just second question. You haven't missed anything more. Okay, don't worry. Still, we have so many quality questions to do. Look, don't worry. Rohan, hi, sir. Hi, Rohan. Good evening, Captain. I'm back. Amudan. Hi, Amudan. Welcome back. I hope this is clear to everyone. Hello, sir. Good evening. Shahina is there. Wow, Shahina. Thank you. Very good evening, Shahina. So we all are preparing for the battle. 17th February. We all are preparing for this battle. 17th February. And I'm helping you out. So focus on these questions. Practice the questions along with me. Sit with notebook and pen. Everything will be in your hand. Your confidence will be on peak. Just trust me, my dear. If you will be coming continuously in my live session till 17th February, everything will be in controlled form. Hi, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Will you teach? See, my dear, let me tell you one thing. You guys are so sweet, my dear. You guys are so sweet. So let me tell you my calendar, my coming calendar. So, see, my dear, 13th February, 14th February, 15th February, and 16th February. I will be coming on live session continuously, consecutively. 13th February will be word problem questions. We will do only word problem question. I know many students still having problem in word problems. Sir, how to do? We know the formula, but still we are not able to do the question word problem type from pair of linear equation into variable and quadratic and arithmetic. So I am here. Now on 14th February, we will be doing only case study based question. Case study based question. Come on, my dear, I am here for you. I have already promised you that I am going to give you complete mathematical solution for your board exam. Complete. But the condition is that you have to stay connected with me. You have to follow my instructions. Are you getting my point? Now, on 14th, 15th February, we will be doing only PYQs. Come on, my dear. Only PYQs. On 16th February, we will be doing short tricks. Short tricks. One word questions. MCQ. How to do MCQ. Everything. So this calendar is very important. 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th. And yes, one more interesting thing. I will be coming on live session on 17th February early morning also. So I am here for you. I am firmly standing here for you all. Yes, my dear. Because you all, each one of you is important from me. You all are connected to me and I am connected to you, everyone. So this is my responsibility to stand firmly in this crucial stage for you all. For my all kids. For my all 10th warriors. So don't worry, don't think the math is going to be very challenging for you. Not at all, trust me, my dear. So please write down this calendar on your, not copy, on your mind. Moving to next question. Ready, sir. Very good, Arabia. Sir, same question paper in sample paper. Yes, yes. Very good. Okay, should I move ahead? Ready, sir. Yes, Arambian is ready. Very good, Arambian. Okay, now moving to next question. E is a point on the side AD produced. My dear champions, my all 10th champions, this question looks very scary, I know. When you will first look to this question make, you know, it looks very scary and you might got afraid of this getting and looking at this question. But let me tell you honestly, the solution of this question is very easy. It looks scary, but this is very easy, trust me. Okay, sir, how are you, sir? Hi, Amit, I'm too good. What about you, my dear? I'm too good. Okay, look, so this is this has been asked by CBSE in 2008 and 2024, but solution is too easy. Listen, so E is a point on the side AD produced. Okay, AD is produced to E, so AD is produced to E. Parallelogram ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. And my dear champions, if ABCD is parallelogram, so you know the properties of parallelogram. The opposite sides are always equal to each other. Means this angle will be equal to this angle, and here this angle will be equal to this angle. You all know this. Okay. BE is, if we join BE is intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFP. Come on, my dear. What we have to show here? To show triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Come on. See what teachers do and what teachers follows when doing mathematical questions, maths question. Listen, my dear. The question here is, we have to prove triangle AB is similar to triangle CFB. So please, my dear champions, only look at the triangles, these two triangles. Don't look to any other portion. Only look to those triangles. Don't look to any other portion. This is the logic. I hope, yes sir, angle, very good. Yes. So, if we want to prove triangle AB is similar to triangle CFB, so please only look at these triangles. Don't look to any other portion. So where is ABE? Come on. ABE. Let me highlight this by using yellow color. ABE. Come on. ABE. This is the triangle. Okay. Now if I ask you, where is triangle CFB? Come on, my dear. Where is triangle CFB? Look at these two triangles. Look at these two triangles. And if these two triangles are equal to each other, it implies that at least two angles must be equal to each other. So come on, my dear. This angle will be equal to this angle. Are you agree or not? Due to alternate angle. Why? Because this line and this line is parallel. Because ABCDs are parallel, and this parallel line is produced. So still after producing this line, still the line will be parallel. Simple. So this line is working as a transversal. So this angle has become equal to this angle. So one angle on this bigger triangle and one angle in this smaller triangle is equal, and this angle of this bigger triangle and this angle is present in the smaller triangle. Wow, we have proved. So can we write the solution here? Angle, listen, BAE, angle BAE is equal to what, my dear? BAE. So this will be FCB. Where is FCB? FCB. Why I'm following this order? Look, this is BAE. BAE. So we have to follow same order. FCB. So angle FCB. And we can write the region here. Opposite angles of parallelogram. I hope this is clear to you all. And angle AEB. Angle AEB will be equal to what? If we are taking AEB, so we have to take here CBF. AEB. So same order. CBF. Can we please verify? CBF. CBF. Wow, verified. So angle CBF. And we have to mention the region also by alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So two angles are equal. So by double asimilarity, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Hence proved. And this question has been asked by CBSE twice. Very easy. Yes, sir. I hope this is clear to you all. Please give me response in chat section. Yes, sir, clear. Yes, sir, clear. Everything is clear. Just write down in chat section. I'm waiting for your response, my all dear champions, my all class 10 champions. I hope you have understood it. I hope you don't have any doubt now. Just give me response, my dear. Just you have understood the solution of this question. There is nothing challenging in this question. Just let me know. Just let me know in chat section. Yes, sir, clear. Very good. Solo, thumbs up. Yes, thank you, Avri. Yeah, thank you. Captain Solo. Yeah, thank you. Okay, I'm waiting for others' response. So, my dear, this question looks very scary, very, troubling. But let me tell you, everything is observation. Your observation should be strong. And if you are able to observe the situation, you can do this question. Here, in this question, observation will play important role. Moving to next question. Look at the question. In the given figure, AD divided by BD is equal to AE by EC, and if AD is equals to 70 degree, BAC is equals to 50 degree, then the angle BCA will be what? BCA. Okay. Yes, which option will be correct? Yes, Captain, thank you. Which option will be correct here in this question? Let's do this question, I think. Okay, so AD divided by BD is equal to AE divided by EC. Oh, wow. This is already given. AD by BD equals to AE by EC. And this is BPT. So by converse of BPT, if this is already given, it means this DE has to be parallel to BC. This DE will have to be parallel to BC. Why? Because this condition is already given. So we can write here, by converse of BPT, this is called converse. By converse of BPT, we can write here, my dear, DE will become parallel to BC. If this is already given to you, we can write this. And if this is already given to you, we can write this. Both are reverse to each other. If you know DE is parallel to BC, we can write this. And if if this is given to you already, you can write this. So this is called converse of BPT. I hope you are getting my point. Yes. Yes, my dear. So by converse of BPT, we can write DE parallel to BC. And once you have proved this, it implies that angle ADE, so angle ADE will be equal to angle ABC, right? And angle EAE, this angle, where is BAC? BAC, this, we have proved angle AD is equal to ABC, and ADE is already given to you. Wow. So we can prove here, we can write here, angle ABC will be equal to 70 degree. Now apply angle sum property in the bigger triangle. So in triangle ABC, can we apply angle sum property? ABC plus BAC plus angle BCA will be equal to 180 degree. We all know this angle sum property of triangle, angle sum property. Okay, so ABC is what? We have just proved 70 degree. BAC is what? Where is BAC? BAC is given to you. Plus BCA, we have to find out the value of BCA. So 7 plus 50 will be 120, that will go there. So BCA will be equal to 180 minus 120, and 180 minus 120 will be 60 degree. So 60 degree is correct answer, option number D. Interesting question. Yes, D. Who answered D? Very good, very good. Very good. Hi everyone. Yes, superb. D for wow. Okay. I hope this is clear to all. So 60, yes, of course. The student who answered D, all the very best. You guys are doing great job. Superb, my dear. Now moving to next question number 2. Okay, this is question number, basically I couldn't mention the question number, don't worry. Okay, look, this triangle. Okay, so P and Q are points on the sides AB and AC respectively of a triangle ABC. Okay, so first draw the triangle. Triangle ABC is here. This is triangle ABC, A, B and C, right? Okay, P and Q are 2 points on side AB. So here is P, and let's say this is Q. P and Q are the 2 points on the side AB and AC. Okay, if AP is 2 centimeter, very good. This is of 2 centimeter. PB, where is PB? PB is 4 centimeter, very good. AQ is 3 centimeter, very good. And QC is 6 centimeter, very good. Then prove that BC is equal to 3 PQ. Don't worry. Then prove that BC is equals to 3 PQ. Okay, so let's join this first. We don't know yet PQ is parallel to BC or not. We don't know. So we have to verify this first. So can we find out here AP? If we find out AP by PB, so this is 2 by 4, and which is equal to 1 by 2. Wow. Now find out AQ by QC. So where is AQ? AQ is 3 and QC is 6. So 3 by 6 will be 1 by 2. So ratio are same. So if ratio are same, by converse of BPT, we can say this PQ. So by converse of BPT, PQ will be parallel to BC. I hope this is clear to you everyone. PQ is parallel to BC because we have proved corresponding sides. This line PQ is cutting both the sides in same corresponding ratio. And if same corresponding ratio is there, it implies that PQ will have to be parallel to BC. Simple. Now if this PQ is parallel to BC, it implies that angle APQ will be equal to angle ABC. This angle will be equal to this angle ABC. Right, my dear? We can mention here by alternate interior angle. And similarly, angle AQP will be equal to angle ACB. Again here mention, this is corresponding angle. Why we are writing alternate angle? This is corresponding angle because parallel lines are there. So we can mention there by corresponding angle. By corresponding angles, right? And similarly this. So we have proved that this angle is equal to this and this angle is equal to this. So can we move into the triangle? In triangle APQ and triangle what? ABC. APQ and triangle ABC. APQ and triangle ABC. And we have already proved this angle is equal to this angle. So by double A similarity, triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC. And if the triangle has proved similar to AP, we can take the corresponding sides. Now take corresponding side. We have to prove this. Come on. So BC, where is BC? If we take BC, so BC divided by PQ. PQ, BC by PQ, right, is equal to, you can take any side. You can take any side. So we have to prove this BC PQ. So BC by PQ we have taken here. Now take AB, 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 AB. So we have to take here AP. Right. Now put the values. BC by PQ is equal to, where is AB? AB, AB, this AB, 4 plus 2, this is 6, AB is 6. And where is AP? Where is AP? AP is 2, come on, AP is 2. So this will cancel by 3. So can we cross multiply? So BC has become equal to 3PQ, hence proved. This is the solution, my dear. Hence proved. Write it down, come on my dear, write it down. So we are taking here 2 minutes break, then we will move to the next portion, next question, and coordinate geometry is also here.
Captain has arrived. Come on, my dear. You guys are talking with each other. focus on your board exam, my dear. Your 17th average is so close, but still you not seems serious at all. You guys are enjoying. Superb. Okay. Hello, sir. Hi. The George is there. Wow. Superb. Very good. So let's move ahead. Okay, just a second. Okay, so my dear champions, my all class 10th warriors, so let's move ahead. Okay, so moving to next question. So look at question. This question is very important, my dear. I have already mentioned here HOTS, higher order thinking skill, and this question is from previous year 2023, my dear. So this question is very quality question. So my dear, don't talk with each other, my dear, and focus here. Come on and focus here, please. Very quality question for you all. So focus here. As you all know, the pattern has changed, and this year you might get so many competency based questions. So this question in that category. Okay, this question in that category. So let's do. Okay, so the question is, in a triangle PQR, N is a point on PR. Okay, so look, so there is a triangle, this triangle PQR. This is very confusing question, please focus here. Once your attention will be disturbed, you cannot get the solution of this question, so please stay attentive, very important. Okay, so triangle PQR is here. In a triangle PQR, N is a point on PR. Very good. N is a point here. N is a point on PR such that QN, if I join this N, QN is perpendicular to PR, means this is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. If PN cross NR, okay, what is given here? The given information is PN cross PN into NR is equal to what? QN square. This is given here. Only this information is given here, and we have to prove that angle PQR is equals to 90 degree. PQR, it is not looking as 90 degree at all, but we have to prove PQR is equals to 90 degree. Very important question. Please focus here, everyone. Okay, so how we can do this question? Listen, my dear. So let's start solution. So what we have to prove here, you can also write to prove. What we have to prove? To prove that is angle PQR equals to 90 degree. This we have to prove. So the approach, what is the approach here? Listen, my dear. The main approach here is observation, your observation power, your critical thinking. CBSE is going to check this year, same thing, critical thinking, your observation. Okay, so so I'm starting solving this question, solution. So my dear, if Pn into NR is equals to Qn square, so can we write Qn into Qn? Qn square can also be written as Qn into Qn, and we can bring one Qn this side and NR that side. So can we write this function as Pn divided by Qn is equal to Qn divided by NR. I hope this is clear to you all. You might be thinking, sir, why you are doing this? Come on, my dear. Look at this modified format. Look at this format.
Pn by Qn is equals to Qn by Nr. Yes. And where is QPn? Pn is in this triangle, PQN, PNQ, and where is Qn? Qn is associated with this triangle. We can consider this triangle. Where is Qn? Qn is associated with this triangle. And where is Nr? Nr is associated with this triangle. And here angle this QNR is equal to 90 degree. So my dear, if this is 90 degree, so this angle will also be 90 degree. I hope you all know this. If this is 90 degree, that will be also 90 degree. So can we write angle QNR is equal to, for this angle, NQP, PNQ, angle PNQ. Now I know some student might be confused. QNR, sir, if you are taking QNR, so why you are not taking this QNP? Why? We can take that also, na? We can take same order. If you are taking QNR, so we can take QNP. My answer will be no. No. Why no? Let me tell you. If you write these two triangles in this order, so my dear, just listen. Now take Pn. If you take Pn, then you have to take here Rn. Pn by Rn. If you are taking this angle, so triangle, we can take the name of triangle also. So for Pn, corresponding side will be Nr. Corresponding side will be Nr. But here look, this is Pn and the corresponding is Qn. So we cannot take that. But if we take angles in this form, Qn, Pn by Qn, here Qn by Nr. Corresponding order is following that there. So this triangle is equal to this. We can mention here, each equal to 90 degree. I have already told you, my dear, this question is confusing. So you have to be very attentive in this question, my dear. So look, my dear champions, so two corresponding sides are equal and two angles are also equal. This angle is also equal, right? Let me use same color. So if I am taking Pn, for Pn, corresponding side in this triangle is Qn. So Pn of this triangle and Qn of this triangle, right? And I'm using here blue color. If you are taking Qn in this triangle means this, Qn in this triangle. So for Qn, which is corresponding Nr, this is corresponding. So this is, a bit confusing question. So my dear champions, please remove this because it looks that the triangles are congruent. So triangle QNR, okay, will be similar to triangle PNQ. The order of angle we can take for triangle also by what, my dear? By AA similarity. And once you have proved that the triangles are similar, you can take any remaining angles also. So QNR is equals to PNQ. So we can take here, if we want to take QNR here. Now just focus, please focus here. If I want to take this angle, PQN, where is PQN? PQN. So angle PQN. So if you are taking PQN, you have to take QRN. Angle QRN. Call this first. And again, if you want to take this angle in this triangle, so for this angle, which angle is equal to QRN? Where is QRN? This. Right. And if you want to take this angle, means QPN. Angle QPN. So where is QPN? QPN. So this will be RQN. Angle RQN. Yes, my dear. Add these two. Add these two. So adding 1 and 2.
Why we are adding? Because on adding PQN and QPN, PQ and QPN will give you complete PQR, and we have to prove that. So it looks that we are approaching towards our target. Okay, so adding 1 and 2, so PQN, angle PQN plus angle QPN will be equal to this, angle QRN plus angle RQN. I hope this is clear to you all. So angle PQN plus QPN, angle PQN plus QPN, this has become PQR. Angle PQR is equal to angle QRN plus angle RQN. Call this first. Call this first. The proof is not done yet. We have to do so much of work still. Okay, so now come in triangle, this triangle. Come in triangle, this is a smaller one. So in a smaller one, angle NQR plus angle QNR plus angle QRN, the sum of all the angles will be equal to 180 degree. I hope this is clear to you. Angle sum property, the sum of all the angles will be equal to 180 degree. This is so confusing but very challenging question. Angle sum property. Right, now look my dear, this is what? NQR. This is what? NQR. Where is NQR? NQR. Come on, NQR. And this NQR, let it be equal to NQR. No need to change this NQR. So this is NQR plus, what is this? QNR. This is equal to 90 degree. So we can put here 90. Plus QRN is equal to 180 degree. So 90 will go there. So NQR plus angle QRN is equal to 90. 180 minus 90 will be 90. Call this as second. Come on my dear. Can you see here? This is QRN plus NQR. This is also NQR plus QRN. And we have proved this is equal to 90 degree. So from first and second, this PQR, angle PQR has become equal to 90 degree. We have proved. Hence proved. This is the level of question. Can you see, my dear? Come on, look at the screen, my dear. Don't talk. Hello everyone. Yes my dear, focus on screen. Yes, look at the proof of this question. This is quality question. I can say this is competency based question. Competency based. Okay, please write it down. And I'm telling you for year 2026 also. You can meet me after exam. Mention this question. Come on. Write this question in your mind, write this question in your copy. Whatever you want to do, you can, but this question is very relevant for this year board exam, for the year 2026, because previously it has appeared in the year 2023, so it's been around 3 years. So after the interval of 2 and 3 years, generally questions repeats. So this is my prediction. Write it down. Write it down, my dear. Yes, come on, give me response. Yes, you all are there. You all are there. Okay, sir. Write it down. Write it down. Yes. Hi, everyone. Hi, sir. Hi, everyone. Marin, thank you. Very good, very good. Yes, sir. Avri, very good. Avri is doing great job. Superb. Stay blessed, Avri. Yeah, solo, clear captain. Thank you. Very good. Superb. Arhan. Very good. Next, sir. Yeah, Rahan, I'm moving to the next. Don't worry. So give me thumbs up. Show me your presence. You all are there. You all are enjoying. Send me some hearts, my dear. I can say I deserve small heart from you all, right? Superb. Arhan. Next, sir. Yeah, next. Yeah. Just wait, just little while. Very good. Just wait a little while, Arhan. I'm moving to the next question. Don't worry. In today's live session, we'll be completing coordinate geometry also. One short video of coordinate geometry. So this is very important question for the year 2026. Hi, Solo is writing, sir, how I'll tell you my percentage, whatever my result will come. Oh, my dear. Yeah, Avri is there. Yes, sir, enjoying. Thank you so much, Avri. Yeah. You can, yeah, this is a good question. How you guys are going to share your result with me? Thank you for your guidance, sir. Thank you so much. Very good question. But you guys can follow our WhatsApp channel. And you guys can text us on our WhatsApp official number. And I'll be waiting for your result, my dear. Eagerly. How are you, sir? Yeah, Mika. Mika, not Kavya is there. If I'm right, Kavya is there. Thank you, Kavya. Hey, Priya, don't go anywhere. Come on, Priya. We are doing one-shot revision of triangle and coordinate geometry. Okay. Okay, very good, everyone. Yes. Should I move ahead to the next question? We are not entertaining here. We are not here to man laga and everything. We are doing mathematics, my dear. How funny is this? Okay, so look at the question, my dear. Okay. Okay, so focus, come on, my dear, focus. Okay, very good. So in the figure, AB is parallel to, this is AB is not visible, my dear. I don't know, by taking the crop image of this is AB. AB is parallel to CD, then find the value of X, my dear. Let me tell you one thing, whenever such question comes up in front of you, like ABCD is a quadrilateral, right, and AB is parallel to CD, so their diagonals intersects in same corresponding ratio always. So if you want to write AO by OC, you can write BO by OD. Always follow this. But the condition is that they must be parallel to each other. And same story is here also. If AB is parallel to CD, we can take anything AO by OC will be equal to BO by OD, right? So AO is what, my dear? AO, this is X plus 5 divided by OC, where is OC? X plus 3 is equal to BO, where is BO? BO, X minus 1, and where is OD? OD is X minus 2. Now can we cross multiply? Can we cross multiply, my dear champions? Can we cross multiply? Say yes, sir. Yes, sir. So if we cross multiply, X plus 5 will multiply with X minus 2, and X plus 3 will be multiplied with X minus 1, right? Now multiply from this X to this whole bracket. So X into X will be X square, and X into minus 2 will be minus 2X. Now multiply 5 to this whole square. 5 into X will be 5X, and 5 to 10 will be there, minus 10, plus minus. Now multiply this X with whole bracket, so X square minus X. Now multiply this 3 by whole bracket, so 3 into X, 3X, because both are in positive, plus minus 3 is there. X square cancel. Can we take this minus 2X will go there? Okay, so minus 2X plus 5X will be 3X. Minus 10. Here, minus X plus 3X will be this. Minus 3X plus X will be 2X. And minus 3 is there. So 2X will go there, minus 2 will go there. So 2X will go there, so 3X minus 2X will be X. Minus 10 will go there, so this 10 will become plus. So X is equal to 7. Answer is 7. Who answered correct? Who answered correct? Let me see the chat section. Yes, superb. Kavya is correct here. Very good. Kavya is correct. Sir, brightness image is not visible. Okay. Okay. So, Arhan, I think it is visible. I can see on my screen, front screen. So, whatever matter reflect here, I can see on my front screen. I have one more monitor is here. So, I think this is visible. This is more than enough. I think you can see. Okay. Moving to next question, question number 7. This is most repeated PYQ. I forgot to mention the year also here, but this is PYQ, my dear. This question is, asked by CBSE so many times, but this is very easy. Everything is observation, my dear. Can you see? Can you see here the triangle? The triangle ABC is here and DE is parallel to AC. Come on, listen. I hope this is visible to you. DE is parallel to AC. DE is parallel to AC. So find out where is DE. DE is parallel to AC. So this triangle will be considered. This triangle. Let me use red color. I can see. You can also see. DE is parallel to AC. I hope this is clear to you. So funny, Solo, yaar, so funny. Okay, my dear, just listen my words. If DE is parallel to AC, please focus on only that triangle in which DE and AC is present. Don't look to any other portion except this. Please focus only on the triangles in which DE and AC is there. So I have already highlighted by using red color. So I have highlighted the red color. So don't look to this line and this line. Don't look to DF and AE. Please ignore for just a while. Please ignore. Only focus on the triangle in which DE and AC is there. So in triangle, can we take triangle ABC will be there? Yes, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. So if DE is parallel to AC, so can we apply BPT? So if we apply BPT, we can write BD by DA, BD by DA will be equal to BE by EC by, we can mention the region by BPT and call this equation number 1. Nothing challenging. Come on, my dear. BD by DA equals to BE by AC. Now the second information is this. DF parallel to AE. DF parallel to AE. Now please focus only on that triangle in which DF parallel to AE is present. So let me use another color. I think blue color will be visible. So where is DF? Wow, this is DF, my dear, and this is what AE, and these two sides are in this triangle. Can you observe the triangle I have highlighted by using blue color? Come on, blue color. This triangle will be considered. This triangle. Now focus only on this triangle. Don't look to anywhere. So in triangle, which triangle? In triangle ABE. In triangle ABE. If what? DF is parallel to AB. So can we apply BPT? Yes, we can apply BPT. So BD divided by DA, this BD divided by DA will be equal to BF divided by FE. Look, BD divided by DA will be equal to BF divided by FE. Right? BF divided by FE. Right? Now we can mention here by BPT, and this is your second. Can you see, my dear? This is here also and this is here also. These two both are common in equation 1 and 2. So if BD by DA is here, BD by DA here, it means that this will also be equal to this. So from first and second, can we write BF by FE? BF by FE will be equal to BE
BE divided by EC. Hence proved. BF by FE, BF by FE is equal to BE by EC, and this is not parallel, this is by, my dear, this is by. So this is the solution.
I hope this is clear to all. Just write down in chat section, yes sir, everything is clear, we all are here and we are enjoying the session. Yes. Yes, yes, Kavya, by is there. Of course, the ratio is there. That is not parallel. I have already mentioned there. I have rectified the. Okay. I hope everything is clear. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes sir, all clear. Yes captain, thank you so much. Is it clear? I'm expecting response from others also. SN Broster, how long is this session will be, sir? See, SN, I don't know your correct name, but yeah. By the way, the session will be around of 2 hours more, because I'm going to complete your coordinate geometry also today in this live session. One short revision, okay? So please consider this live class as your final revision, my dear. And I'm giving you very quality and very easy methodology to do the questions. You cannot find anywhere such kind of solution in magical way. Please trust me, my dear. Okay, so if I'm doing hard work here, I'm standing here continuously for 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. So this is your responsibility to follow my instruction, to support me, and you should also do practice along with me at your home with copy and pen, my dear. This is your responsibility, because directly and indirectly you have to sit in an examination hall, and no one is going to do anything, no one is going to help you anymore in examination hall. You have to do whatever you study here, do hard work here, you are going to execute the same in examination hall, and there is no shortcut in maths, right? So you have to practice. Without practice you cannot perform in maths. This is all about. Okay, moving to next question. Look at the triangle. Look at the question. In the given figure, triangle ABC is similar to PQR. Find the value of y plus z. Very easy question, my dear. If triangle ABC is similar to PQR, see, my dear, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so if triangles are already similar, so it implies that we can write the similar sides, corresponding sides. So AB by PQ will be equal to BC by QR will be equal to AC by PR. Right? Where is AB? Where is AB? Where is AB? Where is AB? AB is Z. We don't know AB. Don't worry. Where is PQ? PQ is 3. Okay. Where is BC? Come on, BC, 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 BC is 8. Where is QR? Where is QR? QR is 6. Very good. Where is AC? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Where is AC? 4 root 3. And where is PR? PR is Y. What is this? Nothing is here. Now you can take these two relations. So Z by 3 is equal to 8 by 6. Can we cross multiply? 6Z will be equal to 24. So Z will be equal to 4. So we got Z here. Now to find Y, we can take these two relations. So 8 by 6 is equal to 4 root 3 by Y. So can we cross multiply? We can cancel here also, don't worry. If you want to cancel, you can cancel here. Okay, now cross multiply. 4 will also cancel here. Now cross multiply. So 3 root 3, Y will be 3 root 3. So you have Y, you have Z. The question is asking find Y plus Z. So Y plus Z will be what? You have Y, you have Z. So you have Y, 3 root 3. You have Z, 4, answer. 3 root 3 plus 4 is answer. Very good. Yes, my dear, 3 root 3 plus 4 will be your answer. I hope everything is clear. Moving to next question, question number, wow, this is the powerful question. This is the powerful question. Hello sir, myself Irene. Hi Irene, very good. Hi Suraj, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu's platform. Very good. Now moving to the next question. This question, I don't know why CBSE asks these questions, every year. I can say so frequent question. Very important. Ankita, Mika, hi Kavya. Very good. Yes sir, clear. This question is very important. Why? Let me tell you. See, we have just did this question here. Look, this question. And I have directly written this formula here. AO by OC is equals to BO by OD. So now we are going to prove this. Same question. I can say same question. This and this. Same. But here we are going to do proof. Okay. Okay, so let's do. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to CD. My dear champion, please stop writing any comment, any chat in chat section. Let me tell you, this question is very powerful, very frequently asked question by CBSE. So you need to focus on the solution, my dear. Please focus. Please focus here. Okay, so let's do. So basically in this question, my dear champions, there is a trapezium, this and this. This is trapezium, my dear, okay, and this is A, B, C and D, right? ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. Very good. AB parallel to CD. A, B, C, D. Don't break the order. If you are taking A, B here, then C will come here. Don't put C here. Otherwise, the order will be breaked. Order will be break. Okay. Very good. So, this is trapezium AB parallels. Now, and its diagonals intersects each other at the point O. Very good. Their diagonals means this and this. They both are intersecting at O. Their diagonals are intersecting O. Then show that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. I can prove this question in very easy method. Just focus, my dear. Please focus. So, okay. So write down all the steps first, so that you may get good marks in your exam. So first, given information. Given information is what, my dear? ABCD is a trapezium. This is given here, trapezium. And in this trapezium, what, my dear? AB is parallel to CD. This is given information. Now, what we have to show here? What we have to show here? AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. We have to show this. So this is the question, my dear. Let me tell you one thing. In this question, to show this result, we need to do some construction. We have to do some construction. And what are the construction? The construction is, let me mention here, construction, my dear. So construction is join OM. Let's say I'm taking M here, a point M here, and I'm joining OM. Such that OM is parallel to any one side. To any one side you can take. Let's say this is AB. So join OM in such a way that OM is parallel to AB. And if OM is parallel to AB and AB is already parallel to CD, so it implies that OM will also be parallel to CD. I hope you all are agree. If we are doing construction OM parallel to AB, then OM will also be parallel to CD. This is OM, my dear. Don't confused. This is OM, my dear. I hope this is clear, everyone. Please focus on solution. So this OM is parallel to AB, then OM will become parallel to CD also. I hope this is clear to you all. Now take two triangles. Only I'm giving you the triangles. Only in that triangle the problem will be solved. So take this triangle first. Consider this triangle, and please ignore everything. Please ignore everything. Consider this triangle only. Please ignore everything. So in triangle ADC, come on. In triangle ADC,
Come on, in triangle ADC, wow, in triangle ADC, this MO is parallel to this CD. So we can apply BPT. So if OM is parallel to CD, so we are free to apply BPT. So after applying BPT, we can write AM by MD will be equal to AO by OC. I hope this is clear to everyone. AO by OC, or we can also write CO. Is it clear, everyone? And we all can mention the region here by BPT. I hope this is clear to you till here. There is no any problem till here. Are you getting my point? So AM by MD is equals to AO by CO. Now the important thing in this question is selection of triangle, and I'm giving you select this triangle. Now my dear, let me use blue color. Now select this triangle. This. Your result will be in front of you. So the selection of triangle is important. First, take this triangle, red one. Then say, take this triangle. Which triangle is this? This is ABD. First triangle ADC, then second ABD. Come on, ADC and ABD. This is all about. Your result will be in front of you. Let me show you the result. Come on, let me show you the result. What happened? Just wait, just wait, my dear. Okay. Yeah. So I hope this is now in triangle. Now in triangle, which triangle? ABD. In triangle ABD. Wow. And in triangle ABD, this OM is parallel to AB. So we can apply BPD. So this DM by MA. MD, this MD by this AM will be equal to this OD, or we can say DO by this, my dear, BO. Can we take reciprocal? Can we change? Because this is AM by MD and we are getting here MD by AM. So we want to make this similar. So we have to take a reciprocal. So my dear, after taking the reciprocal, we can write here AM by MD is equal to, this will also go in reciprocal. This will also go in reciprocal. Call this second. So this is, or we can mention here by BPT. So from first and second, can you see this here? This is here AM by MD, and this is also here AM by MD. So if both are in common, so right hand side will also be equal to each other. So can we write? So from first and second, can we equate, my dear? So this is AO by CO will be equal to BO by DO. Now if we take this BO here, this CO will go there. If we take BO here, this CO will go there. So we can also modify, and can we write? We can write in this form, AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Wow. Wow, my all dear champions. Hence proved. Hence proved. Hence proved. This is the solution. Very good. Very good. This is the magical way. So let me tell you, my dear, if this question comes up in your exam, please select this triangle and this triangle. Yes, my dear, these two triangles. Please focus here, this triangle and this triangle. And you all know this is parallel to this also, this is parallel to this also. Everything will be in your control. Hence proved. Hi Muskan, hello. Hence proved. I hope everything is clear. Just let me know in chat section. Yes sir, everything is crystal clear. If this question comes up in my exam, I will be able to solve this question anyhow. I will not leave this question unattempted. I will do this question at anyhow. Now I'm confident in this question. Just let me know in chat section. You all are there. Show me your presence, my dear. And the student who is new here, go and please hit the subscribe button.
hit the like button and share the live session with your friends as well. Show me your presence, my dear. Hi everyone. Yes sir, all clear. Thank you so much, Kavya. Please hit the like button. Hit the like button. Go and hit the like button first. Very good. Yes sir, clear. Thank you, George. Very good. I am waiting for others' response. Clear. Avri is there. Thank you. Avri is constantly doing great job. Clear, sir. Yeah, music non-stop. Music non-stop. Wow. What a name, bro. What is your real name? Just let me know your real name so that I can call you with your real name. Okay. Yes, Captain. Crystal is clearly... What you're writing, bro? Okay, thank you. Yeah, I'm waiting for others' response. So many students are watching the live session, but still I'm getting few comments, few chat section. Come on, yeah, show your involvement. Your involvement, your interaction encourages me, gives me some inner strength to deliver some unique content to you all in mathematics. So, show your presence. Come on, my dear. Send me some hearts. Send me your thumbs up. Very good. I'm waiting for your response. So congratulations everyone, we have finished. We have revised a complete triangle and I picked up very important question and we did here. So go, sir, your name is secret. Wow, what a name. Okay, so we have finished our revision of triangle. Now we are moving to, wow, one shot of very interesting chapter, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Yes. Amudan, hi Amudan, congratulations sir. Thank you so much. My dear, please focus on board and don't disturb anyone. You guys engaging with each other. And I don't know why you're not serious. I'm giving you quality maths here. I'm revising. I'm helping you all formally to give you to deliver some quality content for your board exam. Very good. Hi Rishi, welcome to Deeksha Vedantu's platform live session. Rishi, numbers never matters. One day will come when in live session millions of the students will be there, lakhs, thousands of students will be there. We are just initial stage, we all are in initial stage, this channel and everyone, but still we all are producing, we are delivering quality. Yes my dear, trust me, you all are at right place. For me, numbers never matters. But let me tell you one thing honestly, I'm delivering you quality content in mathematics. You all can go through different resources and channel. You will feel that the question I'm picking up, everything is unique because after doing numerous research, going through the numerous question paper and all. What you guys are thinking? I'm coming here randomly in live session? No, my dear. If you are coming in live session, you all are expecting something based from my side. That's why I always try to deliver something based. Getting my point? So, number never matter, my dear. If you all are with me, everything will be good and everything will be positive. If you all are with me, everyone. Thank you, sir. I really understood today's topic. Hi, Kavya. Thank you so much. Don't worry. If you all are there and if you all are with me, we can do anything. All together. Right? Thank you, sir. Yes. Okay, thank you, sir. Now moving to coordinate geometry, very easy chapter, but still in coordinate geometry, if you guys are having any confusion, any difficulty, your each and every confusion will be cleared today. Yes, this is my assurance to you all. So please watch this live session, stay in this live session till the end. I'm going to make this coordinate geometry just fun-filled for you all. Trust me, fun-filled for you all. So let's begin. So my dear, what is called coordinate geometry? How to find distance? Yes, Prakash, very good. Okay, so basically in coordinate geometry, we are going to deal with what? X-axis,
we are going to deal with x-axis and y-axis. Wow, in this coordinate geometry we are going to deal with x-axis and y-axis. Simple. And the combination of x-axis and y-axis, the x-axis and y-axis, the plane which form this plane is called Cartesian plane, my dear. Cartesian plane, or we can also say Cartesian system. The plane, the system which is made up of two lines, horizontal line which is x-axis, vertical line which is y-axis, and the combination of x-axis and y-axis is called Cartesian coordinate system, my dear. So I hope you are getting this point. What is Cartesian coordinate system? The foundation of coordinate geometry is called Cartesian system. And how these Cartesian system forms? So basically it consists of two perpendicular lines. If I am drawing one line here, so this will not be Cartesian system. If this is x-axis, so y-axis will be exactly perpendicular. So two perpendicular lines, one is x-axis, and in mathematical term, in Cartesian system, x-axis is also called abscissa. Please keep it in mind. X-axis is also called abscissa. This is horizontal line, and y-axis is called ordinate. So the other name of x-axis and y-axis, one is abscissa and other is ordinate. My dear, please maintain the decorum of live session. Okay, and please focus on board. I'm giving you complete one-shot revision of the chapter from basics. I'm not directly switching to the advanced. No, I'm giving you the basic first. I'm explaining each and everything, and then I'll be moving to the advanced formula and questions and all. Look, the level of question I have brought up today. So please, before doing the numerical question, your doubt must be cleared, your concept must be cleared. Then only you guys can do questions comfortably. Okay, so basically the x-axis is called abscissa and y-axis is called ordinate, and y-axis is basically horizontal line, right? This is horizontal line and this is vertical line. Okay, these axes intersects at origin, which has coordinate 0, 0. Any point P on the plane is uniquely identified by an ordered pair, which is called coordinate. Means the point at which x-axis and y-axis intersects, this point is called origin, my dear. Origin, and the coordinate of origin is always 0, 0. And if we represent any point on this Cartesian plane, this point always represented by ordered pair. Ordered pair means x will be there and y will be there. X can be any number, y can be any number, and this is called coordinate, my dear. This is called coordinate, right? Now moving to very first formula, which is distance formula, my dear. The first formula is distance formula in coordinate geometry. See, this formula calculates the length of the line segment connecting 2 points. Yes, my dear. Let's say this is x-axis and this is y-axis. My dear, first point P is here. Let's say this is x1, y1, and other coordinate, second coordinate is here. This is Q, basically this is Q. Okay, and I want to find out the distance between these two coordinates, this distance, my dear. So this distance can be calculated by using this formula. This is called coordinate distance formula. So PQ can be calculated. My dear, let me tell you one important thing. If Q is here, P is at first position and Q is at second position. So always let the coordinate of this second position as x2, y2. So the formula will be x2 minus x1 whole square. If this is at second position, take the coordinate at first position in formula. And similarly for y, Q is at second position, so y will come first. y2 minus y1 whole square. This is called distance formula, my dear, to find out the distance between two coordinates on Cartesian plane. First question is, find the distance between A, tan cos theta, 0 and B. We have to find out the distance between these two coordinates, my dear. So what will be distance? So AB we have to find out. So let me tell you one thing. If A is at first position and B is at second position, so always consider the coordinate this x2, y2. The coordinate which is at second position, always take x2, y2 that, and first position will be x1, y1. So we have formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Can we use this formula? AB, x2 is what? 0 minus this 10 cos theta whole square plus y2. Where is y2? 10 sin theta. 10 sin theta minus 0 whole square. Use this formula. So AB will be equal to 0 minus 10 cos theta will be minus 10 cos theta, and squaring, by squaring 100 will be there, cos square theta. Similarly, 10 sin theta minus 0 will be 10 sin theta, and we are squaring there. So 100 sin square theta. Right, can we take 100 common, my dear? Yes, 100 will come common here. So after taking 100, we are getting this formula under bracket, and this is our trigonometric identity, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So we are getting here AB equals to under root 100, and under root 100 means what, my dear? 10. And in coordinate geometry, whenever you are finding the distance, always put unit, my dear. This is very important. If you are not writing the unit in exam, in board exam, your marks will be deducted. So this is very important. This is very important to write here. 10 unit is the answer. I hope. No, Rohan. 100 will not be answer. After taking the root, 10 will be the answer. I hope this is clear to everyone. Just write down in chat section. Yes, sir, this is clear. My dear students, my dear, don't argue with each other, guys. Please focus on question and hit the like button. The student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button. Come on. I hope everything is clear. My dear champions, please follow your teacher. At least you should follow the instruction, the words of your teacher. What I am saying to you, what I am suggesting to you all. Please focus on board here. You guys are indulged in, so many different kinds of talk over there. Focus on these questions. Yes, very good. Very good. I hope this is clear, everyone. Now, moving to next question, question number 2. Prove that the points this are the vertices of a right-angled triangle. Right-angled isosceles triangle. You know right-angled isosceles triangle? The triangle in which 190-degree angle will be there, and these two sides, any two sides will be equal to each other. If any two, hypotenuse cannot be equal to adjacent side. Hypotenuse is hypotenuse, right? So to get the identity of an right-angled isosceles triangle, these two sides must be equal to each other, right? Except hypotenuse, because hypotenuse cannot be equal to these two sides. No, hypotenuse is the longest side of any right-angled triangle, right? So this is the question here. We have to prove that. We have to prove that these coordinates are the vertices of a right-angled triangle. You all know, my dear, if let's assume this is A. Let's assume this is A, B and C. After finding the distance of AB, BC and AC, if this condition fulfills, AB square plus BC square will be equal to AC square, then we can say that yes, the given vertices are the vertices of a right-angled triangle, and this side should be, these two sides should be equal to each other. So this question is completely based on what? Distance formula. Distance formula, my dear. So let's assume A is 3, 0, B is 6, 4, and C is minus 1, 3. Now find out AB first. Yes, by taking the different pairs, we can find out the distance AB, BC, C and all, right? Yes, my dear, I hope you are getting here. Okay, so we can find out AB here. So what will be AB, my dear? So AB will be 6 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 0. Why I am taking 4 first? Because B is at second position. So always take the coordinate of second position first in the bracket. So this is whole square. Can we find out the result? AB will be 6 minus 3 will be 3, 3 square will be 9. Plus 4 minus 0 will be 4, 4 square will be 16. So we are getting here under root 25, and under root 25 is equal to 5 unit. Very good, this is 5 unit. Now find out BC, second pair, BC. So BC will be equal to what? C minus. So this is minus 1 minus 6 whole square plus 3 minus 4 whole square. So BC will be equal to minus 1, minus 6, minus 7, minus 7 square will be 49, plus 3 minus 4 will be minus 1 square will be 1. So wow, BC equals to under root 50. Under root 50. Under root 50 we can write 5 into 10. 5 into 5, 5 root 2. So BC is equal to 5 root 2 unit. Now the second last pair is, this is AB is done. AB is done, my dear. BC is done. Now come to AC. AC. So what will be AC? AC minus 1 minus 3, minus 1 minus 3 whole square, plus AC 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 whole square. So AC will be equal to minus 1 minus 4, minus 4 minus 4 whole square will be 16. 3 minus 0 will be 3. 3 square will be 9. So AC will be equal to what? Under root 25. And under root 25 means, wow, it looks that two sides, this AC is 5 unit, and here AB is also 5 unit, and this BC is 5 root 2. Now please verify here. So we can say here, if we add AB square plus AC square, can we write here BC square? AB square plus AC square equals to BC square. Where is AB? Where is AB? AB is 5. So this is 5 square. And where is AC? AC is also 5 square. And where is BC? BC is 5 root 2. 5 root 2 whole square. So 5 square is 25. 5 square is 25. And here 5 root 2 square will be 25 into 2. And 25 plus 25 is 50 unit. Okay, left hand side is 50 and 25 into 2. Right hand side is also 50. Hence verified. Because this Pythagoras theorem is valid. Pythagoras we can mention here by Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is verified. It means that right angle triangle is there. And any two sides are also equal. So this is isosceles triangle. Hence prove that yes, the given vertices are sides of right angled isosceles triangle. But hypotenuse is what? BC. So this triangle will be like this. B and C and A will be here. Yes, my dear, because AB is 5 unit, very good. AC is 5 unit, this is 5 unit, right? This is 5 unit, and that's why this is 5 root 2 unit. And we have proved the same here. So yes, answer is yes. Yes, everyone. Yes, everyone. Is it clear, everyone? Just let me know in chat section. Yes, sir. Everything is clear. Hello, sir. Hi, Nisha. Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Very good. Superb, my dear champions. Superb. Just give me confirmation. Yes, sir. Everything is clear in chat section. Show me your presence. Give me some hearts. Send me some hearts. Send me your thumbs up. Right? Yes, sir, clear. Right? Yes, sir, clear. Yes, Rohan is there. Yes, sir, all clear. Kavya is there. Thank you, Kavya. Thank you, Rohan. Yes. Show me your presence, my dear. Show me your involvement. Come on. I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. Thank you, Mika. Oh, wow. Thank you. Clear, sir. Avri is there. Thank you, Avri. Very good. Mika, thank you. Yes, should I move ahead? Should I move ahead to the next question, my dear? Should I move ahead to the next question? The student who is new here, go and kindly subscribe the button. Subscribe the channel. Hit the subscribe button. Yes, sir.
Rohan, Mika, few students are there in my live session. They are doing great job. And congratulations dear, you all are in the race. And my blessings are always with you because you guys are doing great job. Yeah, you all may score good marks in your board exam because see, for any student, consistency is very important. And if you guys are coming in my live session with consistency, you are focusing on my solution and everything. Very good, my dear. Okay, now moving to the next question, question number 3. Okay, such question generally comes in board exam. CBSE asked this so many times, this question, equidistant type question. Yes, Captain. Sorry, sir. Mohit, yeah, Mohit, please focus on question, please. Mohit, vlog, who is vlog here? Vlog, kindly stay focused here, please, and maintain the beauty and decorum of the live session. Come on. Nitu, hi Nitu, hello sir, hi Nitu. Okay, superb. Akshara, hi Akshara. Good evening sir, hi, very good evening Nitu. Okay, so let's do this question. So find the value of k if the point this is equidistant from this and this. So my dear, listen, first read the question and understand the language. The language is, find the value of k if this point P is equidistant from this point this and from this point this. So this point is A, 3 comma k, and this is B, let's say this is B, k comma 5, and both are equidistant, means the distance PA is equal to distance PB. You don't need to do anything, just apply distance formula. So here, according to question, my dear, PA is equal to PB. So can we apply distance formula? Yes, we can apply. So PA will be what? A is at second position. So take the coordinate of A first. So 3 minus 0 whole square plus K minus 2 whole square. Now PB, which is second position, B is second position. So take the coordinate of B first. This is my logic, and I'm giving you to my students as well. 5 minus 0 y2 minus y1 whole square. Now I square both sides. Why I square both sides? Squaring both sides. Why, my dear? To remove the roots. Squaring both sides. Why squaring both sides? To remove root. To remove root. So squaring both sides will remove root, and 3 minus 0 will be 3. 3 square will be 9. And this is k minus 2 whole square. So this is k square A square plus B square minus 2B minus 4k. K minus A square. This will be k square, and here 5 minus 2 will be 3. 3 square is 9. So can we solve? K square will be cancelled. K square 9 plus 4 is, by the way, we can also cancel this 9 because 1 9 is at right hand side and 1 9 is at left hand side. That will directly cancel. Can we shift minus 4k that side? So 4k will become positive, 4k will be 4. So k will be equal to 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. So k is equal to 1, my dear. The question was same, find the value of k. This is the answer. Okay, I hope everything is clear. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Is it clear, my dear champions? K is equals to 1. K is equals to 1. I hope this is clear to you all. K is equals to 1. Yes, Rohan, perfect. Who is this? Anmol, why you are texting again and again same message? Come on, don't do spam. Come on, Anmol. Don't, what rubbish is going on? Stop this. You are not focusing on question, you are typing same text again and again. This is so irritating. Anmol, I am requesting you, my dear student, don't do this. Please focus on question. I am giving you quality questions. I am doing the solution myself, and I am requesting you just to see the screen. Just only to see the screen, my dear. But still, you guys, I don't know what you all are doing there. Ved Parmar, hi Ved. Very good. Clear. Very good, Avri. Okay, the student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button first. Who is not subscribed the channel yet, go and hit the subscribe button.
because I'm going to come on live session till 17 February, your examination day, because on 17 February also I'll be coming on live early morning to give you some very important exposed question leaked, yeah, as per my experience and my research. Yes, my dear. So 17 February is very important day for you all. Okay. I hope this is clear to you all. Okay, now moving to the next question, question number 4. Oh wow, assertion and region based question, very easy question. So let's see. The question is, for the following questions, a statement of assertion A is followed by a statement of region R. So assertion region question. Come on, my dear, come on. Assertion is given to you. Always put because between assertion and region. Always put because. Read the assertion, because this. Read the statement, because this, and check whether the region is explaining the assertion or not. This is all about. Hi, yeah, Mika, I move to the next question. Hello, sir. Hi, Aswal Yadav. Hi, Aswal. Very good. Very good. Avri already subscribed. Very good, Avri. Okay, come on, my dear. So, assertion is this, the distance between the point A is this, because this. So this region is saying that the distance between 2 points, this and this, is given by this. Very good. This is obviously perfect. Now apply this, because apply this distance formula here also to find out the distance. So can we find out the distance? A coordinate is given to you, B coordinate is given to you. Now find out the distance AB. So AB will be under root x2 minus x1 whole square. So B is at the second position, so take the coordinate of B first. 1 minus tan theta whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square, plus y2. So B at second position, so take the y coordinate first. So this is under root 2 tan theta minus this is 0. This is 0 whole square. Can we solve this, my dear champions? My dear champions. So this is 1 minus tan theta whole square will be 1 square plus tan square theta minus 2 tan theta. Right? And this is under root 2 tan theta minus 0. So if we square under root 2 tan theta, the root will be removed. So this is 2 tan theta. Plus 2 tan theta minus 2 tan theta cancel. So AB is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and you all know 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Yes, this is identity. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So sec theta will be result. Sec theta unit, because we are finding out distance. Wow. But look, what is assertion here? Assertion is saying that the distance between this coordinate and this coordinate is 2 unit. No. 2 unit is not the distance. The distance is sec theta unit. So assertion is wrong, false, and region is absolutely correct. So assertion is false, but region is true. Option number D. Option number D. Golu Molu, my all champions. Yes, my dear. Yes. No, both A and R true. No. A is not true. A is not true, Kavya. Look at the question again. Find out the distance again. Yes. No. D will be the correct. See, if we talk both A and R are true, R is the correct. No. Because A is not correct. A is saying that, assertion is saying that distance is 2 unit. But we are getting here distance sec theta unit. I hope this is clear to you all. Okay, moving to the next question. Question number 5. Find the point on the x-axis. Come on, find the point on the x-axis. Wow, I have told this concept so many times in one short video of coordinate geometry. If any point is on x-axis, it means that y coordinate will be 0. If a point is on x-axis, it means that the y coordinate will be 0. Please keep it in mind. If a coordinate is, hi, sir, yeah. Yes, okay, sir. Very good. Kavya, superb. So if a point is on x-axis, then y coordinate will be 0. Yeah, there will be some x value, but y will be 0. So we can take on x-axis, we can take the point will be x comma 0 because x will be there. Okay, which is equidistance from this and this. Let's say this point is here, P point, and this point is equidistance from this and this. A point is 2 comma minus 5 and B point is minus 2 comma 9. Both the distances are equal. Again, same question, but the important thing was this. The student who knows the concept, what coordinate will be there, the rest work is mathematics. So the coordinate will be x comma 0, on x-axis is there. I hope you all are getting my point. If the point is on x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. And if a point is on y-axis, then x coordinate will be 0. So can we apply here distance formula? So applying distance formula, this distance is equal to this distance. So PA will be equal to PB, right? So apply distance formula. Under root A is at the second position, so take the coordinate first A. So 2 minus x whole square plus minus 5 minus 0, minus 5 minus 0 whole square. Now apply distance formula here, PB. B is at the second position, so take coordinate of B first. So this is B. Minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 minus 0 whole square. Can we square both sides? Squaring both sides. Why we are squaring both sides? To remove the root. To remove the root. To remove the roots. Squaring both sides. So 2 minus x will be there. Plus minus 5 minus 0 square will be there. And this is minus 2 minus x whole square. Plus this is 9 minus 0, that is 9 square. So this is 2 minus whole square. Can we open this? A square plus b square minus 2ab, right? And this is minus 5 minus 0 will be minus 5, and the square of minus 5 will be 25. Now this is, please consider, some student got confused when such condition comes up. My dear, don't worry, please consider this whole family as A and this family as B. A minus B whole square. So A minus B whole square will be what? A square plus B square minus 2ab. Please follow this. So minus 2 a square means minus 2 whole square, and minus 2 square will be 4 plus b square and minus 2ab. But a is also in negative form. When you apply this minus 2 and a is minus 2 into b, b is x, so minus minus plus will be there. So plus 4x will be there. This is very confusing, but I hope your doubt might be cleared. Okay, so plus 4x and 9 square will be 81. I hope you have understood why positive sign is coming here, because this a is also in negative form. So can we cancel? X square will be cancelled with this. 4 plus 25 will be 29 minus 4x, and this is 4 plus 81 will be 85 plus 4x. Can we shift this minus 4x there? And this 85 will come here. So 29 minus 85 and 4 plus 4 will be 8x. So can we subtract the values here? So this will be 6 and this will be 3. I think this is, no, this will be 4. So by subtracting this value, so we are getting here 6 and this is, oh wow, 56 minus 86. I hope you are getting my point. So x is equal to minus 7. 8 7 is 56. And if x is minus 7, so the point will be, please write down the final answer. So the point on x-axis is what? We got the value of x. X is minus 7. So answer will be minus 7 comma 0. This is the answer. I hope you have understood. Mika, Kavya, very good Kavya. Yes, minus 7 comma 0 is correct answer. And this is my prediction that such type of question, only one question you might get this year in board exam. This question might appear in, yeah, exactly not same question will be there, but the question will be a bit relatable to this. Any point will be on x-axis or the point will be on y-axis. So if any point is on y-axis, my dear, always take x coordinate 0. If the point is on x-axis, take y coordinate 0. Please keep it in mind. So this is my prediction for you all. I hope you are getting my point. Please write down in chat section. The student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button, like the live session and share the channel with your friends, everyone.
Very good, superb. Write down in chat section, yes sir, everything is clear. Now moving to the next question. The shortest distance from this point will be what? Oh, come on. Look, my dear. The shortest distance of the point this from y-axis. What is the point? The point is 2, 3. And this is from sample paper, official sample paper of CBSE. I have already given you one live session of official sample paper. That was my, previous live session. If you want to go through the simple paper solution, please go and watch that live video. That is already, on channel. So if we talk about x2 and y3, so where will be the coordinate? x2 here and y3 somewhere here. This will be the coordinate. And the question is asking, what is the shortest distance from y-axis? Oh, come on. This is y-axis, my dear. So the shortest distance of this point from y-axis will be exactly 90 degree. Right? And this is what? This is nothing. This is x-axis. And this is 2 unit. So this is the answer, my dear. But if I ask you, what is the shortest distance from x-axis? So from x-axis, this will be the answer. So this will be 3 unit. Right, my dear? X distance. So answer will be 2 unit because the question is from y-axis. I hope everything is clear. Moving to next question, formula, theory section formula. Very powerful formula, my dear. Very powerful formula. Very powerful formula, section formula. Because if you analyze the previous past 7 to 8 years question paper, you will find that most of the question of coordinate geometry came from section formula, my dear. So section formula plays very important role in coordinate geometry. Let me tell you this honestly, very important. And what is this section formula? Can you go through? Section means division. In school, sections are there, section A, section B, sections. So basically section means division. Section means division, my dear. So let me tell you, whenever a line segment, let's say, my dear, let's say there are 2 points. The point A is x1, y1, right? And there is another point B, x2, y2, right? And the line joining of point A and point B, the line joining point A and point B is divided by another point P, but we don't know the coordinate of this P. These coordinates we know, and the line joining these 2 terminal points has divided by any other point, but the ratio will be there, m1 ratio m2. So how many informations are there with you? Coordinate A you know, coordinate B you know, line joining AB is there, and any other point P has come, and that P point has divided the line segment AB in the ratio m1 ratio m2. m1 ratio m2 might be 1 ratio 2, 3 ratio 4, whatever number will be there. So ratio is given to you, terminals coordinates will be given to you, and the question will be find out the coordinate of this P, which is dividing the line segment AB, my dear. This will be the question, and we can find out the coordinate of P by using the section formula. Yes, so for x, for this x can be written as m1 into x2. So multiply the ratio, but always multiply m1 value from x value, which is far value, far. Don't take the nearest value. No, never multiply the nearest coordinate. No, if you are taking m1 will be multiplied with x2. So m1 x2 plus m2, if you are taking m2, it will be multiplied with x1. And you can also memorize in this form odd number 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1, okay, divided by m1 plus m2. So by using this formula you can find out the x coordinate. And for similarly for y coordinate, if you are taking m1 into what, my dear? Y2. So m1 y2 plus, if you are taking m2, for m2 m1 will be there, m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2, and this is called section formula, my dear. And we are talking about externally. Internal division is also there, but this is not in your syllabus, so we are talking about only internal division. I hope you are getting my point. So by using this formula, which is called section formula, we can find out the coordinate. Okay, please, my dear, very important formula. Let me tell you, even 10 stars, if I put 10 stars here, 10 stars will be less for this formula. 10 stars cannot decide the power of this question, even how powerful this formula is.
Now moving to next question on the section formula. Okay, let's do the question. Let's do the question. Okay. Yes, let's do the question. Let's do the question. Yes, I have brought a PY question, don't worry. Let's do the question. So, if the point P, K, comma, first read the question carefully and draw the situation. Read the question, draw the situation. So, if the point P, K, comma 0 divides, means this point is dividing. The line segment A, 2, comma minus 2 and B, minus 7, comma 4. There are 2 points AB and this AB is divided by the point this P and the coordinate of point P is K, comma 0. Right. In the ratio 1:2, very good. Ratio is also given 1:2. So my dear, M1 is 1 and M2 is 2. Come on, M1 is 1 and M2 is 2. And we have to find out K. What will be the value of K? Come on, my dear. Yes, we can find out the value of K, na? Just apply. K is x coordinate, so x coordinate M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. So x is what? K. M1 is what? 1 into minus 7. 1 into minus 7 plus M2 2 into 2 2 into 2 divided by M1 plus M2 means 1 plus 2. So can we solve here, my dear? So 7 into 1 will be minus 7. 2 to 4 will be there. 2 plus 1 will be 3. So K is equal to minus 3 by 3. Can we cancel here? So K is equal to minus 1. Answer. Any option is there? Minus 1 is the answer. This question is PYQ of the year 2020. 2020. Yes, very good. Moving to next question. In what ratio is the line segment joining the point P 3, minus 1, 6 and Q 5, 3 divided by x-axis? Come on, very interesting question. X-axis. So the question is, there are 2 points P, 3, minus 6 and the another point Q is 5, 3, right? And the line joining P and Q is divided by x-axis. Come on, this is, let's say this is a line. Let's assume this is x-axis. So my dear, yeah, I know x-axis is always horizontal, but let's assume. So if this is x-axis, so what will be the coordinate here? This point will be on x-axis. So if this point will be on x-axis, my dear, so the coordinate here will be x, 0. Why? Because this point is on x-axis, and if the point is on x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. And we have to find out ratio. What will be the ratio? I don't know. So my dear, we can find out the ratio. Now proceed the solution with the coordinates which is known to you. The coordinate value which is known to you. So you know the y coordinate. So apply section formula on y coordinate. 0 will be equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by, always apply the section formula on the coordinates which is known to you if you want to find out the ratio. Always, yes. So m1 m2 will go there, so the result will be 0. So directly we can write here m1 y2 plus m2 y1 will be equal to 0, because m1 plus m2 will be multiplied here 0, the result will be 0. Now m1 into this 3, so 3m1 y2, 3 into m1, 3 into m1 plus m2 into minus 6, right? So m2 into minus 6 equals to 0. So can we solve this? 3m1 minus 6 m2 equals to 0. Can we shift that side? So 6m2 will go in positive form, 3 will be cancelled by 2 times. So we are getting here m1 is equal to 2m2, but we want m1 by m2. So if 2 is multiplied with m2, and we are writing m1 by m2, so 2 is multiplied with m2, so we have to put here 2, because 2 into m2 will be multiplied, and this is 1. So the ratio of m1 ratio m2 is equal to 2 ratio 1. Answer. This is the answer. Yes, very good. Very good.
Very good. Okay, now moving to next question, question number 9. Find the ratio in which y-axis divides. Come on, y-axis divides. Oh, if y-axis divides, it means x coordinate will be 0. Yes, now the x coordinate will be 0. So let's say the point is 5 comma minus 6, right? And the line joining these 2 points, the another point is 1 minus 1 comma 4, and it is divided by y-axis. Come on, my dear, y-axis. So this coordinate, this point is lying on y-axis. So this point is on y-axis, and this point is on this coordinate also, on this line segment also, right? So the coordinate here will be 0 comma y will be there, any number for y will be there, but x coordinate will be 0. And we have to find out ratio m1 ratio m2. This question is previous year question, 2024, my dear. So can we apply section formula? But on which coordinate we will apply section formula? Now we will apply section formula on this coordinate, because x coordinate we know. So x coordinate we know. So 0 will be equal to m1 x2, right? So m1 into minus 1 plus m2x this. So m2 into 5 divided by m1 plus m2. So this m1 plus m2 will be multiplied with 0, so that will become 0. m1 into 1 minus m1 will be there. m2 into 5 to this is 5 m2 equals to 0. Can I shift m1 that side? So 5 m2 will be m1, but we want m1 by m2, right? So with m2 5 is multiplied, so 5 will come here, 5 by 1. So m1 ratio m2 will be equal to 5 ratio 1. Answer. Moving to next question, next theory, centroid. Yes, Kavya, very good, Kavya, superb. Now moving to centroid of the triangle. Now my dear, what is called centroid? First you must know the definition of centroid. What is called centroid? So basically centroid is the point of intersection of all the medians. Let's say, my dear, this is triangle A having coordinate x1 y1, right? And triangle B, the coordinate of second vertex is x2 y2, and the coordinate this is x3 y3, right? So these are the vertices, right? x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. If we draw a line from A which divides the triangle into two equal parts, and this line will always be the midpoint of BC. The line which divides the triangle into two equal parts, and that line will also divide the side into two equal parts, means this is the midpoint, and so this is called median. So we can also draw median from this vertex. So median will always be the midpoint. We can also draw one more median from this vertex. So again median will be here. So this point, the point at which all the medians intersects, is called centroid. Centroid of the triangle. I hope you are getting my point. The point of intersections of all the centroid of the triangle, of the median of the triangle, is called centroid. And we can find out, because if these vertices are in coordinate form, if the coordinate of vertices are given, we can also find out the centroid vertices, centroid coordinates. So let's say the vertex coordinate of centroid is x comma y, and these are the vertices. So x, we can find out x by using this formula. Let me give you the formula: x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, and for y coordinate, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. By using this formula, we can find out the centroid of the triangle if the vertices are given to you. Very important formula. Please write this formula in your notebook. Come on, my dear, this is very important. The student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button. I am requesting, I am telling you again and again. Why? Because 13th February, 14th February, 15th February and 16th February, I am going to launch something very special for you all board exam. So on 13th February, I will be giving you word problem question. We will do only word problem question, very big question, lengthy questions. On 14th February, we will be doing PYQs
On 15th February, I'll be giving you MCQ strategy, how to solve the MCQ questions, everything. So these 4 sessions are very important for you. So my dear, you could not miss this session. That's why I'm requesting you to subscribe the button, hit the subscribe channel, hit the subscribe button. Please go. This is just for your benefit, everyone. And make sure to join me. Catch me on 13th February, because on 13th February I'll be coming with word problem questions only from some applications of trigonometry, quadratic equation, a pair of linear equations in 2 variable, and arithmetic progression will do. So quality session is going to be held on 13th February. So I hope you all will be there. Okay, so moving to, so I hope this is clear to you all. So by using this formula, my dear champions, we all can find out the centroid of the triangle. So the student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button. Yes, this is my again request to you all. Yes, okay. Okay, now moving to, so I hope this is clear. So please keep this formula in mind, my dear. Please keep this formula in mind. What happened? Very powerful formula. X is there, this is okay, and Y is there. Centroid. But to find out the centroid, you must have these vertices, vertex of the triangle. Then only you can find out the. Okay, moving to bisection, trisection, and midpoint formula. What is called bisection, trisection, and midpoint formula? CBSE loves these 2 points. CBSE loves these 2 points. CBSE loves these 2, bisection and trisection. Yes, yes. So let me clear you the bisection and trisection. Okay, listen my dear. So first, what does it mean by bisection? So if I talk about bisection, my dear champions, so bisection means when, let's say there are 2 points, x1, y1, right, x1, y1, and the line joining these 2 points and B is x2, y2. The line joining AB is bisected by any point 2 into 2 equal parts. I don't know this point, I don't know this coordinate, but this is exactly bisecting, means this is at the midpoint. This is called bisection. When any third point bisects the line joining into 2 equal parts. When any third coordinate bisects the line joining 2 coordinates into 2 equal parts. It implies that M1 will be 1, my dear, and M2 will also be 1. Why? Because this portion and this portion is same. Why? Because P is at the midpoint, and if P is the midpoint, means this portion and this portion is same. So how we can find out X? X we can find out M1 into X2, which is 1 into X2, plus this 1 into X1, x1 into 1 divided by m1 plus m2, which is 1 plus 1. So x will be equal to x1 into 1 will be x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Wow. By using this formula, we can get the coordinates. Similarly, y will be y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is also midpoint formula. But these 2 terms comes up in equation. That's why I have brought up. By the way, bisection and midpoint formula is a bit relatable. Both are almost same, my dear. Both are almost same. So I hope you know this. Now moving to trisection. Okay, moving to trisection, my dear. What is called trisection? So trisection is basically, let's say there are 2 points, x1 y1 is a coordinate and the b coordinate is x2 y2, right? And the line joining AB is divided into 3 equal parts. Come on. The line joining AB is divided into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. This is called trisection. So let's say this is P coordinate here. I don't know the coordinate, so xy I'm telling, and this is Q coordinate. I don't know this coordinate, so I'm taking x dash and y dash. We cannot take these 2 similar, so to make differentiate, I'm taking dash. Okay, so this is all about this AP, PQ and QB all are same, means this is one portion and one portion, all the portions are same. So now my dear, if I ask you find out the coordinate of P, so to find out the coordinate, come on, to find out the coordinate of P, please ignore Q. To find out the coordinate of P, please ignore Q. Ignore Q. Imagine Q is not there. So if imagine Q is not there, so what will be the ratio? 1 ratio this whole, this is 2. 1 ratio 2, it means that M1 will be 1 and M2 will be 2. I hope you are getting my point. I am telling you to ignore Q because we are finding out the coordinate of P. So the ratio will be 1 ratio 2. 1 ratio this whole is 2. Now we can find out the ratio. X coordinate will be what? M1, this is 1 into X2 plus M2 is what? 2 into, this is X1 divided by 1 plus 2. So X will be equal to what, my dear? 2X1 plus, I'm writing X1 at first position. So X2 divided by 3. This is the X coordinate. Come on, my dear. This is the X coordinate. And similarly, to find out Y, M1 into Y2 means 1 into Y2. This will be Y2 plus, this whole is 1 plus 1, this whole is 2. 2 into Y1. 2 into Y1 divided by M1 plus M2, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. So can we write the formula? So this is 2Y1 plus Y2 divided by 3. This is the coordinate. I hope you are getting my point. And similarly, if you want to find out the coordinate of Q, my dear, now please ignore P. Just for a while, please ignore P. Let's imagine P is not there. So if P is not there, so for Q point, the ratio will be 2. This whole portion is 2 and this is 1. This whole portion is 2 and this is 1. So M1 will be 2 and M2 will be 1. Now can we apply? Section formula? Yes, we can apply. So X dash will be equal to what, my dear? M1 2 into 2X2 plus 1 into X1. So this is X1 divided by 2 plus 1, 3. So this is here 2x1 plus x2 and this is 2x2 plus x1. The position has changed. And similarly, y dash will be equal to 2y2 plus y1 divided by 3. This is the formula. This is all about. I hope you are getting my point. Just write down in chat section, yes sir, we all are getting you. Everything is cleared. Write down in chat section, everyone. Please write down in chat section fast. Do it fast. I hope trisection is clear. Now, if I talk about third is midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is basically same thing, bisection. When the point is at here, midpoint, when the line segment joining two coordinates is divided into two equal parts, then the same formula will be used. So there is no difference between bisection and midpoint formula. Both are same. Both are same, my dear. Both are same. Moving to the question. The midpoint of the line segment joining this and this lies on. Come on, the midpoint. So find out the midpoint of this. Two coordinates P. P is minus 4, 5 and Q is 4, 6. This question is just previous year, 2025. Previous year question. So find out the midpoint. Midpoint of this. The midpoint of this. So for here x coordinate will be minus 4 plus 4 divided by 2. For midpoint we always divide 2. So this is 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is 0. Now find out y. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 divided by 2, which is 11 by 2. 11 by 2 means 5.5. No, is x is 0, my dear. And if x is 0, x coordinate is 0, it means the point will be on y-axis. On y-axis. Why? Because x coordinate is 0. If x coordinate is 0, the point will lie on y-axis. So the answer will be B, option number B, on y-axis. Why? Because x coordinate is 0. Moving to next question. This is case study based question. Case based question, my dear. Very important question. Case based question. Case based question. Can you see the question? There are two routes to travel from place A to B. From place A to B. Okay. Okay, here is A. This is A, my dear. Let me use red color. This is A here, my dear. A, and this is B here. I hope this is visible to you. And this point is here, C.
Okay, A, B, C. Okay, there are two routes to travel from A to B. Okay, the first bus reaches the place B via C, and the second bus reaches the place B from A directly. Okay, so there are two buses. The first bus is the destination is B. The first bus is going to B via C, means it goes to C first and after B. This path is followed by the first bus, A to C, C to B. Very good. And the second bus via B, and the second bus reaches the place B from A directly. Let me use another color. So I'm using here blue color. The second bus is directly taking this path. I hope you are understanding the point. So there are two paths. My dear. The first bus is using this part A, C, B, and second is directly A, B. The position of A, B, C are represented in the following graph. Observe the graph given below. Answer the following question. What are the coordinate of places B and C? Come on, my dear. First find out the coordinate. So this is here be in between 3 and this is 2. So for 3, this will be 3, 2 for C coordinate. 3, 2, and for B this is 2 and this is 3. For B this will be 2, 3, because here is 3 and this is 2, so 2, 3. And for A this will be this is minus 2, this is minus 2, and this is minus 3. So this will be minus 2, minus 3. This is minus 2 and this is minus 3. I hope everything is clear. What are the coordinate of place B and C? So the place B coordinate is 2, 3 and C coordinate is 3, 2. Right. Second question. What is the distance between B and C? Come on, my dear. Can't you find BC? Yes, you can find BC. BC distance under root C. 3 minus 2 whole square. 3 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square. So under root 3 minus 2 will be 1, 1 square will be 1, and 2 minus 3 will be minus 1, minus 1 square will be plus. So under root 2 unit. Under root 2 unit. This is the answer. We can also write down 1.41 unit. Okay. If a place D lies at the midpoint of AB, then what are the coordinate of place B? Come on. If there is a point D, there is a place D lies at the midpoint of AB. AB is this, and there is a point D. Let's say here is the point, and this is the midpoint. So M1 will be 1 and M2 will be 1. So can we apply section formula? So by using this, M1x2 plus M2x1 divided by M1 plus M2. So we can apply. So 1 into 2 plus this 1 into minus 2. 1 into minus 2 divided by 1 plus 1. So can we find out 2 1s are 2 minus 2 divided by 2. 2 minus 2, 0 by 2. Oh, x coordinate is 0. It seems that the point will be here. Let's find y first. So for y, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2, right? So M1, where is M1? M1 is 1 into minus 3, 1 into 3, sorry, plus 1 into minus 3, 1 into minus 3 divided by 1 plus 1. So this is 3 minus 3 divided, oh wow, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 0. It means that place D is at the origin, because we are getting x as 0 and y is 0. So this is 0, 0. This is the answer. This is 0, 0. This is the answer. This is 0, 0. This is the answer. I hope you are getting my point. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Okay. Moving to next question. Very important, parallelogram concept. So let me tell you parallelogram concept, my dear. So in parallelogram you all know this is parallelogram, my dear. And let's say this is coordinate A,
B, these are the vertices A, B, C, D. So the property of parallelogram is, in parallelogram, the diagonal intersects at the center, means this point, this point is the center of diagonal AC, and let's say this is O. So my dear champion, O is the midpoint of diagonals what? AC and BD. Please keep it in mind. If O is the intersecting of diagonals, means O will be the midpoint of diagonal AC and BD. Please keep it in mind. Very important. So let me give you very important thing, like the coordinate of A is x1, y1, the coordinate of B is x2, y2, the coordinate of C is x3, y3, and the coordinate of D is x4, y4. Like these are the coordinates, and the coordinate of x is O is x comma y, let's say. So this xy is the midpoint of this and this both. Please keep it in mind. Means it implies that x can be written as x1 plus x3, x1 plus x3 divided by 2, and this will also equal to x2 plus x4, x2 plus x4 divided by 2. Come on, both will give you the same result. Similarly, for y, this y is the midpoint of this and this. So y1 plus y3 divided by 2, and this y is the midpoint of this also. So we can write here y2 plus y4 divided by 2. Please keep it in mind. Means this is the property of parallelogram. The intersection of the diagonals is the midpoint of both. The intersection of diagonal means we can find out this x by taking the midpoint of this diagonal, and we can find out this x by taking the midpoint of this. We can find out the y coordinate by taking the midpoint of this diagonal, and also this y can be calculated by using the midpoint on this. Very important. Come on, my dear, very important. Now look at the question. This question is just based on this formula. If you know, if you have understood it, look at the formula. This is PYQ. So find xy if 3, 2, 6, 3, xy and 6, 5 are the vertices of the parallelogram. So always take the vertices in order. So let's say this is parallelogram. Look how beautifully I can draw the parallelogram. So this is A, my dear. 3, 2, let's say this is B, my dear. 6, 3, okay. Let's say this is C, my dear. X, y, we don't know this. And let's say this is D. Some student apply distance formula. They take this side is equal to this side, because this is also the property of parallelogram. And this side is equal to this side. Don't solve this question in this way. Otherwise, you will be stuck in solution. You can't get the result, my dear. So always follow the simple and very comfortable method. Don't follow the complex methods at all. So let me tell you how we can solve this question. So my dear champions, this is the diagonal and this is the diagonal. If I ask you, let's say this is the point of intersection of the diagonals, means this point will be the midpoint of this and this both. Let's say this is xy coordinate. Let's say this is x dash y dash, because xy is already here. So x dash, we can write x dash 3 plus x divided by 2. And x dash can also be written as midpoint of this. Come on, midpoint of this. 6 plus 6 divided by 2. Yes, because this point is the midpoint of this and this also. Both. Are you getting my point? Now these two can be replaced. So 3 plus x divided by 2 equal to 6 plus 6 will be 12. 12 by 2. 2 cancel here. And 2 can also be cancelled by 6 times. So 3 plus x equals to 12. So x is equal to 9. I hope you are getting my point. I hope you are getting my point. Is it clear, everyone? So x equals to 9. Similarly, if you want to find out y, so y dash can be written as 2 plus y divided by 2, and y dash can also be find out the midpoint of this. 5 plus 3 divided by 2. Now can we replace 2 plus y divided by 2 will be equal to 5 plus 3 will be 8 divided by 2. 2 cancel. So 2 plus y is 8. So y will be equal to 6. Wow. So find xy. So xy is what, my dear? 9,6 answer. 9,6 answer. 9,6 answer. Got it? Very good. Very good. Once more, Avi is asking once more. Which question you are asking, Avi? Just let me know which question should I repeat for you. Come on. Just let me know. Are you having any problems? So just let me know, my dear. I can repeat it again and again for you all, because you all are very important for me. Yes, this is coordinate geometry. I hope you are getting my point. The student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button, because on 13th February, something big is launching by me. 13th February, I am going to expose some predicted and most important questions. So the student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button so that you could not miss the quality session that is going to be come on 13th February. Very important session. After doing so much of research, I got to know which question is important, predictable. You know, I can assume, like, I have just guessed which question is important for this year board exam idea. So I am going to reveal on 13th February. Yes, midpoint is a special case of section formula, because see, my dear, if this is A, x1, y1, and this is B, x2, y2, right? And this is the midpoint. Midpoint means 1, 1. So what will be the coordinate of this? So x will be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now apply. This is the midpoint. So 1 x2 is m1 is already 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 divided by 1 plus 1 will be 2. So x will be equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Yes, the midpoint formula comes up from the section formula. The midpoint formula comes from section formula. Clear, sir? Thank you so much, Rohan. Thank you so much, Rohan. Moving to next question. Wow, this is from sample paper, my dear. Your sample paper, case study based question. Case study based question, sample paper question. The official sample paper released by CBSE. You guys can get this question on the, in that sample paper. Yes, my dear. The student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button. Sir, distance formula is very easy, Avi. Okay. Please, the student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button. And one more thing. Hit the like button also. Hit the like button also. The student who is not hit the like button yet, go and hit the like button of this live session. Only 18 likes I can see on screen here. I want to convert that 18 into 35 at least. I want to see in how many minutes you guys can convert this 18 likes in 30 likes. I want to see how you guys can support me. I want to see the number of likes over there. 18 is there. I want to see at least 35 likes. Only 18 is there. I want to see at least 35 likes over there. If you guys loves me, if you guys supports me, go and hit the like button. Come on. Yes. So please make sure to come on 13th February, my dear champions. 13th February. Okay. Okay. Now do this question. So a group of class 10th students goes to picnic during winter holidays. The position of three friends, Aman, Kriti and Chahat. Who is Aman, who is Kriti and who is Chahat in live session? Is there anyone? Okay. Only 18 likes are there. Only 18 likes are there. Thank you so much. Shruti, yeah, thank you. Very good. Yes, Captain. Only 18 likes are there. Come on, what you guys are doing? Is this I deserve really from you guys? Come on, go and hit the live session. Go. Very good. Okay, so let's do. Aman, Kirti and Chahat, three friends are there and they went for a picnic. And you love to go with your friends out of, school trip and all. Wow, nostalgia. Come on.
Okay, so find the distance between P and R. Very good. So where is P? This is P, my dear. Can you see? This is P. So P coordinate will be 2, 5. Always write X coordinate first. And what will be Q coordinate? 4, 4. Very good. This is 4, 4. If I talk about QR coordinate, so R is here 8 and this is 3. So this will be 8, 3. I hope you all know this. So you have coordinates, and if you have coordinates, you guys can find out anything. Sir, now 20 likes, only 20 likes. Come on, SV, AV, only 20 likes. I'm expecting 30 likes over there. At least 30 likes from you all. Yes. Okay. So 2, 5, 4, 4, 8, 3. Now, find the distance between P and R. Apply distance formula. Apply distance formula. So distance formula. So I'm doing here. Oh. I'm doing here. First question. Distance formula. We have to find out PR. So distance formula. Which coordinate as the second position? R is the second position. So always take R coordinate first. So R coordinate is, where is R coordinate? 8. X2, comma. This is 2. 8, 2 whole square. Plus Y coordinate 3, 5. 3, 5 whole square. Can we solve this? So 8, 2 will be 6, 6 square will be 36. 3, 5 will be minus 2 square will be 4. So we are getting here under root 40. Under root 40. Can we solve this? So 2 to 2 root 10, I think. 2 root 10 unit will be the answer. 2 to the 4. This is the answer. Now the second question. If is Q the midpoint of PR? Okay. So find out, is Q is the midpoint of PR? So find out the midpoint of PR. So midpoint of PR. So what will be the midpoint PR? X will be 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 divided by 2. This is 10 by 2 and 10 by 2 is 5. No. P coordinate is 4. And we are getting here 5. No. Q is not midpoint. Now find out Y. So Y coordinate will be Y1 plus Y2. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 divided by 2. So this is 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4. So we are getting here 5, 4. But here the Q coordinate is 4, 4. So Q is not midpoint. Q is not midpoint of PR. No. Now third question. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from P and Q. Come on, my dear. You guys can solve this question. If a point is on x-axis, it means Y coordinate will be 0. So X, Y will be X, 0 will be there, and this coordinate is equidistant from 2 points P and Q. Where is P? 2, 5 and P and Q. Q is what? 4, 4. 4, 4. Now apply the distance formula. Both the distances are equal. Apply the distance formula and find out the result. Hi Satyam, if you are new here, go and hit the subscribe button. If you are new here, you are at right place. Go and apply the distance formula, you can get the value of X. Okay, moving to the next question, question number 34. No question. So I am giving you one homework to you all. This question number this. Yes, my dear. See, my dear, in board exam, in question number 3, you will be having two options. Either you can attempt this question or this question, because or is there. So the question which you seem comfortable, you guys can proceed with that. So I think you should solve this question. I'm giving you only one question for your homework. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching this one shot revision of coordinate geometry and triangle, my dear. All the very best, everyone. Mika, coordinate of S. Wow, Mika has solved. Very good, Kavya. Superb. So the student who is new here, let me tell you one more thing again. Let me announce this again because I have already repeated so many times. Thank you so much for watching the live session. And yes, the big announcement is that on 13th February, I will be coming on live session with word problem questions only. And you will be feeling that in that session, your confidence in word problem question will be boosted up.
we'll be doing age-based questions, aeroplane speed, 2-digit number. We will decide about this because this is not so important in word problem category. And fraction, everything. Cost, article question, tap water question, everything. So please don't miss this session word problem on 13th February. And the student who has subscribed the channel, you guys can get the notification on time. And one more thing, on 13th February, 14th February will be your live session, chapter number 1 to 7, complete chapter, compiled. And on 15th February, 8 to 14 chapter. 1 to 7th and 8 to 14 on 15th February. And on 16th February, my dear, MCQ strategy, how to attempt the MCQ questions. Everything I will be clear, my dear. So before sitting in examination hall, I will be vanish your each and every kind of doubt that you guys might have right now. So don't worry, go and hit the subscribe button, follow our channel, share this channel with your friend, hit the like button, stay connected with us. I'm assuring you, this is my words, this is your Sonu Sir's word. Mark my words, my dear. You will be feeling very confident on 17th February in examination hall. You all are going to remember me in examination hall. Follow us. Thank you so much for watching the live session. Thank you so much for being here. And yes, my dear. Stay blessed, everyone. Stay blessed. My blessings are always with you, everyone. Okay? Yes, thank you so much, Kavya. Thank you so much for these kind words, because your such words encourages me to do something wonder for you all, because you all are very important for me. Yes, trust me, my dear. So thank you so much for this kind word. Thank you, everyone. So go and follow the channel, subscribe the channel, my dear. See, I'm telling this again and again for your benefits only. If any one of you might be thinking like, sir is advertising and sir is insisting us to follow the channel. No, this is not such like that. This is, I'm telling you, I'm asking you this for just for your help, to give you, to boost up your confidence for your board exam, because you are just few days away from your board exam. You don't have so much of time. So you guys, yes, Rohan, surface area and volume will also be there, because I'm giving you complete one-shot revision for every chapter. Don't worry, I'm here. Thank you, sir. It's very useful. Thank you so much. Yes, Rohan. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Okay. So take care of yourself. Take care of your parents as well. Follow your parents' words. Follow your mother. Follow your father's word. And take care of everyone. Stay blessed. And let's meet in next session. Thank you so much. All the very best.